That was my first big clash as a look at you. Sword Supreme versus Black Cat. Killer say, youth, yes, we do. We do, you still little. Your name Notorious Shabba. You know what people ask me to interview when me just leave and me not be turned down all of them because me decide to me not talk about this. You see me? But through me see the dog doing video one time. Me say, alright, maybe me can tell my side of the story, you know. When the time right. I know me feel like the time right.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast. And today, we have a really special guest. Listen, you've seen this man on many big songs, on big clashes, big juggling dances all over the place. But this is the first time he's going to really get to share his story in depth. You know, we have in the building today, we have Notorious Shabba in the building today, a.k.a. Little Shabba. What's going on, big boss?
Yard. Well, I'm here in a muscle. I'm going to ease all the vibes. You know?
Yeah, man. Maximum respect for linking up today, you know what I mean?
Yes, man. Anytime.
Yeah, definitely. I know you're a man, you've been repping Kingston 13 a long time. If you just listen to a audio or watch a video, in the first 5 minutes as you pick up the mic, you're going to hear Kingston 13 one time.
Yeah, because, you know, Kingston 13, I'm a hometown, you know. You know what I mean? So, you know, me have to rip for them because I see Kingston 13 before I see the world. You see me? Yeah, start travel and go to the world. I never really been a dream about that. I never really see that. My thing was always Kingston 13, you know what I mean? So for me, then in the community, I'm good with that. So I always rip for Kingston 13 at all time. Never change.
Hear you. And what was it like growing up in 13 at that time there? And what areas are in the 13?
Whitfield Town community, you know, yeah. Just like a small community. Not really that small as still, but you know, everybody actually know everybody same way. You know, but growing up in a Kingston 13 in my community, yeah, honestly, I come from one of the poorest of the family, them, you know, in the top 5, you know. A poor family, you know. Yeah, man, I come from one of them family, them, man, you see it. So, you know, which part we don't know, we give thanks because we always believe our work hard. And one of my things, I just always believe in myself, you know. Real talk, you know, it's like I see myself as a star from there, look at you, because we used to DJ, you know.
Okay.
Like Shabba ranking DJ, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, for real. And that's how we get the name Little Shabba. I wasn't a selector, you know. I was just an artist, like up on stage and DJ. You know what I mean? So when me a DJ, you know, people always say, yo, you're the next Shabba, you know, you're the next Bounty, you're the next Beanie. You know what? Your name Little Shabba. And that's how I get the name the Little Shabba.
Yeah. Okay, so before you started selecting song, mixing and talking everything, you're an actual artist, DJ.
Yes, man. Wicked artist, man. All right, them time there, me dey on every stage show and every treat I keep. I used to have a treat keep by Whitfield Avenue in my community, you know. It's on Christmas Day, every Christmas. You know, when young artists, young dancers, everybody just come up and DJ and win prizes. Every year me win it, you know, as a DJ, you know. Every single year. Where my real talk? Kingston 13 people, them know the history, know analyze me, I tell you, you see me? Every year. As I look at you, as a DJ, and me was the Kingston 13 community DJ. But actually, I give you a drama. It's up on YouTube, but only Bounty Killer part upon it. One dance with Bounty Killer versus Terry Ganzi. It keep down a Wildtown Park.
On the song was Third World or something. So
Third World, alongside Outlaw, so two songs was there.
Yes.
Right. It's right after Bounty Killer done perform and everything was going on with him and Terry Ganzi. And me and the DJ them call up after, you know.
Yeah.
And listen, them time they remember Bounty Killer general, you know. So when Bounty Killer come off a stage where it's supposed to done, that's it. But the only person who could have come hold back the vibes and the crowd, it was Little Shabba, the community star, as a DJ. Real talk. But that part, unfortunately, me don't know. The guy who uploaded it, me just not hear my part on it. So me don't know. I guess he never know the history or whatever the case might be.
Right there. So even in the area, who were you seeing as people that was doing music that made you want to say, this is what I want to do? Where was your inspiration to really get into music?
Say a long story, but me actually grew up in a 42 Wellington Road, you know, where you have a guy named Patrick. We have a component set with, them component set, they will have the local record player upon it. And then you also have a guy named Kevin and Bobo Paul, them always have them components that play the music. You know what I mean? But separate and apart from that, me have a brother named Anthony. When me see him with car radio, he was the first guy me see turn a earphone in a microphone. So when me see those things, it kind of amazed me still. And I say, wow, you know? So me just growing up in a 42 at the time, I be a music. I just go, in a ghetto yard, in a ghetto community. I just wake up on music. Sometimes I sleep music, I wake you up. So music always in a my thing, you see me? So, them things that make me really love music and want to be a part of it. Really.
Who was the first artist you seen growing up those time there too? Before you might not even knew that they were a big artist, or you guys grew up same time as an artist, a singer or something in the area.
Well, in my time growing up, me see Toughy Melody, them and Eggnog, Danny English, you know what I mean? Ulfman, the community artists, them, them, they have I forgot the artist name, come from the Boat Island side, Yeah, man, we see them artists that grew up, we see them artists as star for we. And we had a look at you who grew up, you see me? And we say, yeah, man, them youth, they like, the people that in the community love them. So we always say, me want them love that too in the community, So you don't know, DJ was always my thing. So that's the way I forget the love. For DJ, do the corner clash them. The mother sang them,
Yeah. So even in school, were you the DJ in school too, or what were you doing in school? A lot of people knew that you would have got into music that time there.
But still, me a DJ, like artist DJ. But in school, crazy, stuff, history. First, me have taught them something, In school, me they have some friends. You see me? Can me used to school hard, Me not learn that school, I eat that, Yeah, man, music, taught me not eat that.
Yeah.
When we go to school, me have some friends. You have a guy named one and him have. You see me, but him can beat this good. When you beat this for me, the rhythm, the beat. So I always do that, and me a freestyle the music them. You see me, there was a rhythm one time go like I think Bounty Killer the band just say, "Gyal them have the face," something like that. I don't remember all the song they did, but a beat that was easy to beat. So that was an anthem beat in a school. So I always beat it away by DJ. And then now, one of the main things me DJ so hard in a school. When me I go to school, me I go with my little sister. So them time my mother give me like $20 for go to school and give she $20. So me, as a man now, as a youth, them time me feel like the money they small. You see me? So me always give my sister my lunch money and go DJ and hustle feed. Cause me know say when me DJ, me can't get bun, me can't get milk. You see me can't get a piece of food. So me just give her my lunch money and go hustle my own. So even that make me DJ more in a school. For real.
Yeah.
For real.
Those times there. And who was your DJ for you to really even turn into a man, say, yo, I want a DJ? Who was your artist back then?
So really, I would have more than one artist, Cause I look up to Bounty Killer, Ninja Man, CMB, man. Cause we used to see them artists there frequently in the community. Cause you have some crew where used to bring them around. You know what I mean? Being man. Cause stage show used to keep a lot, Stage show used to keep, that was a thing one at a time. Most of stage show. So stage show used to keep them in my community, the Kingston 13, regular. They have a woman named Sandra Statement. We used to keep a whole heap of stage show at Fitzgerald Avenue. Reds, Bobby Reds them from over the lane. True Blue crew from around Whitfield. So stage show used to keep a lot. And we always say Monster Shack crew, Bounty Killer them again, Scare them crew. So when we see them man there, you don't know who want to be one of them man that even Ragarugi. Okay. Ragarugi was a Kingston 13 star from a long time ago. Okay. Them man there, yes, what Ragarugi I don't know. A long time I do that to the family. I look at you, see what them somebody there. Yeah. The man that and the girl I get mad. I say, yeah, crazy.
It's for just real. Good vibes, enough vibes, you know what I mean?
Right.
For sure. So then, Bob, so what was your artist name back then before you even started playing song when you were trying to be a DJ?
Yeah, my artist name was, so me get the name Little Shabba because at that time, Ninja Man Shabba ranks I go at it. And, Shabba come win the Grammy. Shabba became the star. You know what I mean? But me used to flip Shabba lyrics them, take the melody them on the line and turn it into my music. So people always, it's like a guy who used to trim me named Chinny. And him say, yo, if a minute you're DJ Shabba line them and thing, your body, your name, you're the next Shabba, your name Little Shabba. And then every time I check him for trim, him call me, Little Shabba, oh yeah, the trim. So that name the end of stick pan with a Little Shabba. And then through my beanie and mag and short, head big like Dua and, like a half dog and,
Yeah. No, you could tell that you were an artist or something because you're full of argument, boss. When it comes to joke, you run the most joke ever, whether it's sound clash or juggling. You don't rant, boss.
All right, that come naturally, and that's come naturally because, as I said, true, we are doing it from so long now, from artist to selector. So we used to entertain people, you know what I mean? Because when you're an artist, them time then a mother competition was enough. Everybody a clash. As a man, yes, you're a DJ, and one clash. You have a youth in the community named Natty King. He have a song where I say, remember Goofy song where I say, broke up, here come 4G.
4G, yes, man.
He have a remix of it where he say, X, Cali, don't 4G. So, the gimmicks there always work. So, naturally, now, when him and your clash and he make the place laugh, so you have to come back with something. You see me? So, my father used to sell cream on a bike. And one time, him jump off of the bike. True story. That them tell me. Him jump off of the bike, but him look like a little boy. Them carry him got to children hospital. And them say when the doctor draw on him pants. Them say no, take him to public. He's a big man. This. Them what children hospital is for kids. So through him small, him right. So I'm go back to his story. So me write a song about him. Me the man never song and say, the middle of the night. How will I feel? So me remix it and say, the middle of the night. When Kenny jump off of the bike. And I talk about that thing. I don't really fully remember the lyrics, but it was all gimmicks. Anytime I always make crazy money when I DJ that song there. So my gimmicks thing I come from them time there till now.
For sure. And did you get into any studio back then or try to record, or is mostly stage show on song and those things at that time there?
Well, honestly, True Blue crew did I try get me that. I think them are the first that crew that came to an official studio. We get the chance to go in a mixing lab them time there. Yeah, going into mixing lab, Jesus, was a hard task. Because when I reach at the gate, them question you, yo, say your artist, you have to sing for that man there. And you pass the man there and reach there. So you do all of these singing, DJing before you reach actually in the studio part. So the time when me reach in the studio, at Monster Shack crew, did I do a rehearsal. So me there I watch them and the True Blue crew came and I tell you and say, yo, give him piece of the talkaphone, but rehearsal. That time I understand still, so me ready. So Ronald I say, yeah man, me see him on him bad, man, him bad. You know what I mean? But try rehearsal, me never really get to touch it still, but me never really understand that time, what's going on.
Okay, and did you record any songs like official music back then too?
Oh, no, Yeah, unfortunately, me never get that chance there,
So when did you go from doing artist to now get interested in sound business now?
I same thing. Because people always tell me, say, yo, when you reach 10, you go boss. When you reach 12, you go boss. Every year them tell me I go boss. And I'll know me can't see boss. Me look a beer, truck a pass, van, me not see no boss. So me I say, and one of my biggest problems me used to have, when me go to the dance them and touch a microphone and DJ, after a time them I take back the microphone from me. So me feel like me want to hold the talkaphone for the whole night. So one time me go over the lane, I saw him Andrew Y5 play. And him DJ some song and the crowd come. We kind of run out of lyrics now, my time to put on the mic. But just make him go and play, I'm still a chat,
Yeah.
And my sister me have a mic whole night, and I say, what? Never started that's what I know. Yeah, so from the moment I really start to say I go turn selector. Cause I feel like I want to talk of one more longer.
And what year would you say you really started? You transitioned from artist to now MC selector.
I think I when we meet a son named Sailor City from Melcalf Road. Yeah, so with Dougie Fresh. And I youth named Chickson, aka Master Lee, right now, Mix Master. You see me and Crackers. Them they come play a song named Sailor City up at my place. And when me see them, me I tell you, say the youth, them get me attention because them a play so good and me and Crackers dep on, hey, 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 hey. And I chat me, I think me I sat there, but I owe him.
Yeah.
And I realize that the sound come from down a Melcalf Road. So I decided, me go follow that sound here, you know. So I wait till them pack up and trail them goes by then there, and that, me itch up down there every day, me down there, you know. Me no leave. So that really turned me now official selector. Then one day now, Dougie Fresh really say, I love that thing, yeah. So I say, yo, you know, say too much star there on Sailor City. You need that sound for yourself. Him came me to Oakland Road, they introduced me to a man named Gyro. And Gyro now a selector now, so me end up turn that stuff. Me are the selector for that sound. So me get that sound for myself. So that's how me really, really start from officially.
And what song was that there?
I saw them Gyro sound in a Kilimanjaro, you know. Them said the original Kilimanjaro, but me not sure. You know, me just look at you at them time. But it was a Rasta man still. From Oakland Road.
A different gyro you were playing those times there.
Huh?
As a selector, you were playing a gyro you were playing those times there.
Yes, but I don't know if I the same gyro with Trooper gyro or whatever the case is. But there's no say the sound name Kilimanjaro. So me start off this one. It's called more school, so I go there, so play all the radio and I dance. But that team.
Yeah. And it was who else was over there as selector or MC when you got to gyro?
Just me. Because through me that try get into Sailor City circle with Master Lee and Crackers. And Dougie Fresh decides, all right, him can't kind of have too much star and crowdy. So him want to get a sound for myself. So him came to Oakland, we were going to introduce me to Gyro. So Gyro never had a selector, so me was the only selector around there. Right. So me actually get a sound there for myself.
Yeah. Okay, so then at this time, I remember you came in as a talker, so then you had to start to select song at this time here now too.
Yes. Actually, when I Gyro, I go and learn for mix and do all them things by myself. Because I used to listen to radio hard, you know. And then through me can DJ, I learn for mix. I listen to it, I play the instrumental, and then I try DJ the song. I catch the song, the next record, which was the song start, and try DJ it in my brain, then let go the song and time it. So that's what me really learn for mix, you know. Yeah, for real. It's true.
That's a complicated way, but at the end of the day, any way to make it work, any way you can learn it, that's how you're going to learn, because that's complicated.
Yeah, for real. For real.
Yeah. So when you started playing gyro now, was anything really happening for you around gyro, or this was one of your early songs too?
Yeah, man, early. But I'm very grateful for it, you know? Because from me get that sound for play, and then the people in my Oakland Road, Mackay Lane, Mary Lane, Painland side, all of them people that show me some love as I look at you. So Gyro start get the whole of the look a party day at them. But the problem with Gyro now, no disrespect Gyro. Gyro never really buy no records. So one day I there one party I play, but through Gyro normally play on Friday and Saturday, weekends. So you know, on weekend the radio station them at. So Gyro have a tuner but play radio. So it connected to the sound. So one Friday night we there play and so me listen to the DJ them all the while. I know when the song and the next song I go mix, you know. So me entry like me I play. You see me? Until I play that the middle of the dance, you know. And then you hear Irie FM. Yo, that was like the biggest forward that the dance mash up.
Yeah,
man. So history. I want my history start, Gyro.
Yeah. Gyro, and how long were you playing gyro for?
I never had a tricky time, you know. But me just did it, I go and develop, you know, until me get back to Master Lee and Crackers them circle. That time them transition to a sound named Mafia. You know, so me end up back in another circle. Yeah, I end up Pan Mafia sound.
Yeah.
And then officially now it start Pan Mafia.
And Mafia, that's where it started to really bubble for you then.
Yes, yes, yes.
And that was a juggling song, a clash song, or all around song?
It was a juggling song because True Crackers is a juggling MC and mix up the girl them and talk a bag of things. And Master Lee was a quick mix and thing. But me now, through me I come from the artist side of it. Me used to the competition, clashing with people on the corner. So me got there with the aggressiveness, you know. So it's like a two type of MC around Mafia at the time. Crackers for the girl them, Shabba for the gangster them. So I said the work for Mafia sound. You see me? So we look at Cap Clash. We used to clash with a sound named Fearless. Every minute, and a sound named Unity from Rostown. Every minute we and them in a clash. You see me? Yeah, because me got there with that type of energy there. For real.
For sure. And what was the first night you got like a big song to play with, whether it's the big area song or Stone Love came in, where somebody the first night you really got to juggle around a big song?
I want to get a drama. I want to get a drama. And that same night, then me end up, I end up get introduced to Soul Supreme. Because we and Soul Supreme play upon a dance. On Soul Supreme Road, which is Nelson Road in Jamaica. You know, which is Nelson Road. We and them play upon the ball field. Mafia sound string. And then the Soul Supreme a big box and everything, you know. But Mafia have two small column. So we string up our two small column now, you know, Soul Supreme with the big box them kind of drawn way, because them stronger than we. You know? So we are trying to figure out how we are going on. But who knows, so the people them love we, because we are the young youth that time and we are on the place. So we use our juggling and go around them and thing, you know. And you know, Soul Supreme have the dub them. But at the time, some look at you that play the song. Well, remember who that play the song. But so we juggle around them. The point is we juggle around them. Shell down the place. So one of the youth them, a youth named Mickey Mataran, when they were on Soul Supreme, him jam me one side after the dance finish everything. I say, yo, but you know, youth, but you need to play a big sound, you know. You see me? Upgrade your money and thing and way, and you don't know. Me that think about it, but I never really, you know, until through the man who owned Soul Supreme at the time, named Fabo, in Jamaica, which is Solidum family. Him know my father, so him talk to my father talk to me, and more people talk to me and I feel like, yo, you need to step up your career now, you know? And I saw now me go pan Soul Supreme. So I play with Soul Supreme as a big sound, with my little sound, and juggle around them, and end up gone past Soul.
And Soul Supreme, boss. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this was Soul Supreme, they brought down the song from New York, or the song's originally from Jamaica and went to New York?
You know, I don't know the full history about it, but I don't say, me know the Soul Supreme from Jamaica. But I think Fabo, not a thing. I'm sure Fabo and Sally are family. I don't know how this sound, how it work out, you know, but I know them are family, and I know the Soul Supreme from Jamaica, because them live on Ellis Road, me live at Wellington Road, so it's like a walking distance. You know what I mean? So that at that time, them, me never know the Soul Supreme from New York City still. Me didn't know the one from Jamaica. And then me amazed by them dub plate star. Catch me love you look war. We see man them, you know, them time they not like laptop. Them time you have to actually see the dub plate them. Man, them have a dub box for long, sir. And the next one says to me, I say, what? I hear something there. Yeah, man, I hear something after there, man. So every day I go up there to check Fabo. Right through. And I run through the whole eye dub box them and listen to all of them and mark when me don't mark. You know, them normally right down in there, but me mark them back my way. Yeah, man, and I say, well, I diss me for their own. As I look at you at that time.
So then when you got to Soul, were they more clashing or they were juggling, or they were doing both at that time there?
I'm more juggling. But me used to hear a whole heap of cassette with them a clash. So I realize it's a clash sound. You see me? But we that do the juggling part. You know what I mean? Because you know, through in the community, we are community selectors, community sound. We are play upon all of the dance them. You know what I mean? And them time there, if you plan a dance 10 years ago, and Soul Supreme play a Panda night there, you have a cancel your dance, you know, because that's a flap, you know, in a real life, you know, because we are on the place. You see me? So yeah, at that time, I was mostly juggling. But me they always still aggressive. Because I have that thing there from me I do the DJing thing. So me love the competition thing.
From then. So then who was the first tough song that you buck up now that you're on Soul Supreme? Now you're on a big song. You're playing around Jaro and Mafia and these songs. That's cool. But now you're on the big heavy Soul Supreme. So who was the first one where you buck up now as a song?
Lord God. The Great Black Cat, you know. Yeah, man, the Great Black Cat.
Yeah.
I want place named Royal Flat. Gyal Chester.
Yes.
Yeah. Soul Supreme versus Black Cat. And the man must say, yo, look at Shabba, your first challenge. And that time, the first time we meet Junior beat them. Because Junior beat Rito them. And Lee Manger actually fly them for that clash deck. And me so the selector them a foreign never come. You see me? So them forward no one, you know, them vice up some dub plate and something. And you see me? When they are the clash no one. Me kind of do look early part and thing and build my local vibes. You see me? So the people them kind of connect to me from earlier. Can me bring the local vibes there. But later down the line now, you know, come on now, Junior P and Lee Manger. So one at a time now the people them start ball back for the local youth. You see me? So it have happened that's me and Junior P for the first time I play the song Junior mix and me and MC. And yeah man, that night there was a wicked night, man. Wicked night. So that was my first big clash as a local youth. Soul Supreme versus Black Cat.
Who won that night there?
The dance actually mash up, you know. It never really fit. It done unprofessionally. Because some fight broke out. You know what I mean? But the two sound them, remember like yesterday, man. The two sound them that go on good. But me got the advantage because for me the local youth, me the younger one, you know, a panther that. Then the panther in prime, you know. The man about song when man dropping, I can't forget. The song said, we said the lion out sound I go roll and people are going to feel it. Yes.
Yes.
When the man drop a song, the man yet. And him call himself the war tanker. I'm say, people, the boy say, I'm the war tanker. You know, see me just flying, I change my name, me the war captain. You among the driver and war, me fly and war. Yeah. Yeah, man. So that night that be wicked, man. I was saying the dance done unprofessional. So, I don't know who say win the clash, who win that clash there. I never really finished.
Yeah, and it was Panther was the first one. So then did you buck up like a Stone Love or a Bass Odyssey or any other tough song around this time here now too?
No, me never buck up. We played Stone Love, but I just juggling.
Yeah.
You know? But we never buck up the Bass Odyssey and them sound there.
So you're juggling enough. Did you start to fly when you're on Soul Supreme at this time here now? Or is just straight Jamaica now?
Yes, straight Jamaica, you know, because I never know about the team America, you know, until that time there. I'm still never that focus on the American thing. Me just always love my community, you know, so me just see myself in that circle there. So foreign never really dip on my mind to say, you know what I mean, the international buzzer or whatever the case may be. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, man. So really that. So me never really get to travel them time there and thing.
At that time there. And even Bangkok, I had an interview with Bangkok, and Bangkok said, yo, Little Shabba is my idol. I love Shabba as a selector. When do you remember bucking up man like Bangkok?
Bangkok, fast forward to lately. Because I run film community. Because one thing I mean as a selector, you know, everywhere me go and go play, you know, I own that community there, you know. Me no go nowhere and go play the one time, you know. Me actually own the community until me stop take date there or you know what I mean, me just stay there. But yeah, I in a Bangkok community, man, me I govern a place named Brook Valley. You see me? Yeah. Actually, Bangkok was my manager. One night time, you'd have a call Bangkok to book me, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man, real talk. That's how I'm proud of him, so. You see me? I'm going to go Japan now. And when we go Japan, they used to keep a thing over there, a mad thing. When we go Japan, we come back. A Bangkok, I see a MC, I said, I ain't manager this. I don't see him, man, him turn selector. Me, the girl, him over there, want to kill him. Yeah. I'm going to talk a phone because I reach everybody. I said, go and go select me. I said, no, you don't kill him. You never can tell. You have to give him the strength. So I give him back the talk phone and said, go and select. I'm stand up right side of him and no move. You see me? So them look thing that kind of motivate him. Till now, I start keep my event. Name Yard Close Wednesday. And came around there. And decide, yo, here we go on. And you are going to select around there, sir. I'm tell him all I girl them business. I'm tell him, say, you know me chat it. Girl them ever kill me. So are you ever come chat the thing though? Yeah. So everyone go around them and shell of the whole place and the girl them love him and say, oh Jesus, we got there, we know God, Shabba, we know what I see you. And so come back, guy, you were around it, and from that, the rest is history.
From there. So, okay, so even because you said Bunker was way later, still don't want to leave the early version of Soul Supreme here, because a lot of people, they just knew you playing Soul Supreme from like the New York time, like I guess like the 2013, 14, 15, those times. Right. A lot of people don't realize that you're playing Soul Supreme way earlier than that, you know.
Right. Yeah, actually, when we started playing Soul Supreme, that was early 2000, you know. That time, I think them must stop the Sound Clash thing in America. Something like that, me did I hear, you know. But as I said, me know the one at Jamaica. So me start playing Soul Supreme in the early 2000. You know, but me never leave. What really cost me, you know, if you leave, don't contribute yourself. What really cost me, you know, for not playing the sound at the time, because me dead if you a minute, I'm feel like, all right, feel like nothing I go on and say, and I'm ever gonna move forward, you know. You know what I mean? So I start move around, I linger, try to make better. You see me? Because after that time, in the community of Kingston 13, I be a war I go on, so the sound can't really get for play. And it's a community sound. You know what I mean? So that's hungry start to kill me now, you know, because you know what going on. You know, hungry I kill now, and I say, what is man, community mash up. So I've got to find way. You know what I mean? So that really go on with me and Soul Supreme. So I never really leave until I start link up with Sony and Bashment squad and thing. You see me? What happened now? So come me meet everybody now on Soul Supreme after me I go leave. Stally them hear the thing now. When I never call my name still, and I don't want to get out and a mix up still, that's a fact. But them here say, Fabo have some good selector and them about to leave the sound. So them come down and come keep a meeting with Fabo and with all of us, you know, and them keep the meeting and say, all right, them are going to start, make the youth, them at Jamaica start travel, come a foreign, and the foreign selector, them start come at Jamaica and thing. And, you know, and this was before the Panther, the Black Cat clash, you know, so that's why Jonah P. them end up come down. The meeting that they had before.
Got you.
You see me? Yeah, so what happened in that meeting, they know, John, I'm going to say them something, Jesus Christ, Jaja, hold on. Because I never thought them things before, and I never said this. I never said this to one and two people around me. What it really happened now, through me a teenager them time there, Sally them, they actually signed a contract with my mother, with my parents, you know. Because as I said, me never leave the sound. Sally them, they sign a contract where me can't play no other else sound until me are 18, you know. And my mother them signed the contract. Because you know what, them are Christian, my mother Christian. So you know them not understand the dancehall thing. And my father in the street, but them want the best for me. And people are gassed them up and say, see, tell your son I go boss, because we actually come in a newspaper too. You know, look at you, them around Soul Supreme. We have that paper there. You see me? So, big thing that go on. I'm there, and, you know, there, I'm going to see nothing I go on, And we just move forward, you see me? Yeah, really.
Because who else ended up playing the yard version of our Soul Supreme at that time there? Who else was on the song?
The yard clothes?
No, the Jamaica version of Soul Supreme. Who else? Because it was you, and who else was playing the song at that time there?
Okay, yeah. It was me, Crackers, come and bring Crackers with me in the car, we are part of Vansalang. And bring Master Lee there too. And you have Mickey Mataran, which is the guy who introduced me to Soul Supreme, him at the foundation selector. And then you have O'Neal Famous. Hey, O'Neal Famous, I want dangerous selector and a ramp with him, you know. I want to wood. All right, at trees, somebody will mix dub plate when I rate. When I feel like my other mixing dub plate from them 3 person here. Because to other mix it, I only teach me say, when they have mixed dub plate, they have certain point at the entry. I have to come in, you know. I bring me the transition of the song even more effective, you know. O'Neal Famous teach me them things that I look at you. O'Neal Famous, Mark, DJ Mark, and a brother named Ian. Them 3 man, them I feel like do the wickedest mixing pan dub plate.
Yeah.
You see me? So, that was the Swords of Brave selector team at that time.
At that time there. So you said, as you said, there was war going on in the area. Nothing was really going on. So then you kind of made a movement to Bashment Squad at this time here.
Yes. Me get introduced to Bashment Squad. You see me? And I want to tell you that Toulouse was a part of Swords of Brave. I always a part of Swords of Brave. But, through the community and nothing really go on and things. So Toulouse meet Lucan, we own Bashment Squad down a Raytown. And tell him, say, yo, me have one selector for you, because Bashment Squad just come on the road and don't need selector. You see me? Say, I have one selector and tell him about Lucky Shabba. But look like somebody did that tell Lucan about Lucky Shabba before. So when you name Pastor call me, rest him soul in peace. I him call me one day and say, yo, Lucan I go call him. And I so come link up with Lucan now and end up around Bashment Squad sound. You see me?
And you guys were playing more. This is now more enough juggling dance at this time here now.
Yes. Yeah, man. And that time now I reach 18, so I could have passed the contract. You see? Yeah, man. So most of juggling, because Bashment Squad are juggling, so. Bashment Squad are juggling, so, but them have whole heap of dub play too. You see me? So most of juggling, because Lucan kind of deal with it like kind of stone of type of vibes. Did I try to build a relationship there?
So, okay, so you guys were playing with Stone Love those times back then?
Yes, man, a lot. A Bashment Squad, the first sound system was string up alongside Swash. Down a Passa Wednesday,
Okay.
Normally a selector for bring them pouch, come play. Bashment Squad sound system book actually and go string up and play. Side of Swash, in a Passa. Yeah, for real.
So you were playing Passa back then?
Yes, man. Them time that me and Look Richie they all bout, man, and Swash, man. Them time that me and Look Richie, we have the one like country dance,
Yeah.
Them time when me dey on Bashment Squad, me I go on the whole 14 parish. Everywhere. Yeah, they have all that thing when they Blase Wednesday. We used to keep them and staying down them place. Yeah, man, we gather them place, them, man. Yeah, man, them time, them, man, no joke.
Yeah, no, because remember those times, and the dancing thing was hot. Them time, so those times the dancehall was really bubbling, and enough things was going on at that time. They're right there too.
Yes, man, them kind of dancehall nice and active, man. Kind of dancehall nice and active. Yes, what I say? Yeah, and them time them people more happy and come out for have fun. Yes, what I say? Yeah, them time the man come and dance and I tell themselves, say, me now go back till me dirty, the clothes of it dirty for the bag of thing, Think I'm mud swamp them go. Yeah.
No, those times the dances were different. This is probably like 05, 06, around that time there now?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
I remember those times, Maestro, as you said, Little Richie, and I remember your name call up in those times there too. Every time you'd hear like a Little Richie, for some reason, you'd hear Little Shabba same time.
Yes, man, because them time, let me say, me and Richie, them a brother, So, we are the young youth, them time there, and the young, you come like a short people that only place them time there, All I selected them short, monster short. Look at Shabba short, look at Rich and look at short boy, them bad, Yeah, look at short boy, the boy, them dangerous. So it's like, one we are linked, you see me? Yeah, and short spread the glory to you see him spread the glory. The bad boy, you sit up and base of this,
Yeah.
Look at short tooth them, man, the ramp with them, man, them dangerous. So them time, they everywhere with them there. Bashment Squad now play, they were Swash there. You see me, so I saw the relationship they stay. You see me, and remember one time, Mataran called me down in a Passa Wednesday, Yeah, man, from a big international TV. I think it was dancehall.com, reggae.com.
Yeah, man.
Mataran called me down and said, people, if them Look at Shabba, see me a call in front of the world, and say, say, if you're this man in the future, I'll be a people from foreign side. Say, Shabba, your boss now, Mr. Mataran, call you up.
Yes,
Your
man.
boss.
Because for real, I used to think that I thought for a minute that you were actually playing Swatch for a while. Because now that you say it, I remember those times I'd swear that you were a part of Swatch.
Yeah, man, that was family, man. That was family, you see me? Yeah, man. See him Randy Rich, the Look Rich, all of it, man. That was family. You see me? And them time they were on graffiti, say, anyway, music there, say, if me, my sound system now play tonight, Me I call Rich, yo, we're on that tonight. And if I country, we still have fine way. Remember one time I look Rich come pick me up in that car. The time I drive under. We actually some accident he go on, but we go back in the morning. I said, but they are right still. I didn't come pick me up and we drive to country, go shell a dance and come back. So I saw that relationship they would have.
At that time, there nothing. And do you remember any dance in particular that sticks in your mind from those times there around Bashment Squad? That you'll
Yeah,
never
man,
forget?
Blase Wednesday for sure, the anniversary. I will never forget.
Yeah.
Because when we actually walk up, all right, that time there, Baby Sham sang around the place. We get the thing them out of luck now. We squeeze. Yeah. So we have a driver, we have a pick we up. Him actually pick we up late. So we actually I got country late. When we reach me and Pastor them, I think we reached about after 9, so. And the Baby Sham sang me up playing on the place ramming on me, I tell you about 15 or 20 sound, you know. I said that SumFest the way I said them I keep now. Don't reach them I keep. It originally from Blase Wednesday, you know. Blase Wednesday,
Okay.
no, them not even special guests. You actually have to carry your sound, you know. So you look on all the stage and all 10 sounds string up. You see me?
On Blase Wednesday.
When me reach now, me hear the song I play, we say, what is? But we used to play a Blase Wednesday, some look 1 and 2 week. We have a fans base down there. So when we reach now, I don't remember who's, I think a Top Secret sound I play, you know, a King Getter, you know. And when we walk on the stage with my pouch, you know, my general, the whole place me see lift up saying, you know, me I felt, I saw me look, so I wonder if I really met them people there. I real up saying, you know, you see me come and think of an artist I forward up, you know. And me I say, cha man. So the people them actually did that wait for wait. You see me? Them turning over they have some song where me love play. Like some little hero say, Bashment Squad I play down there. When they start with them, see them man. Jesus Christ. Them time the bass they say they to squinge them too.
Okay.
You see me and me come shell the place. That's when Sky Juice forward in. But can't forget. Every minute Sky Juice have you look on me and say, look at you. You're bad. But say me not tell you lie, you're bad. Brother, the man said that like actually every 5 minutes, you know. As Sky Juice me I tell you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can't forget them thing there, man. For real. Real talk.
No, man, because you were like the selector them. There was like the Matarans and all of these guys here, but you were like the selector them that were in the streets where not probably the worldwide would know you, but you see the people them that know you on the ground, they know you and they rate you them way. That was the league that you were in as a selector, locking your ends them time there.
Yes, man. We were next in line. We was one of the selector them, the look rich, the Randy rich them, the whole of them, the spread the glory them. We were next in line, you know, to be the next big thing, you know, them time there, you know. You see me? Yeah, but you don't know from my side. Boy, I mean, even if more and get another story there, you know. But yeah, unfortunately, I don't know things happen and
Yeah.
Bashment Squad thing just boil long and me I tell you that things just take a turn when I Jesus Christ, that story, that one different story. For real.
Yeah. Because how long were you on Bashment Squad for?
Fair good minute, you know. Yeah, fair good minute. I think not check the year, you know, but maybe about 3 years, 4 years, somewhere around there.
And were you the one cutting the dubs, or they were just bringing the dubs and you were playing them, or you went to the studio to go cut these dubs too?
Oh no, you know, say no, we have ideas like the boss asks what we sang with I want and thing and tell him. When they actually have a road in Fyah, and then they have Kevin Eagle and then they were Vice Dub Film. You know what I mean? So yeah, and Bashment Squad always have the latest set of them, man. That song at we want it, you know, so you know you get it.
Yeah. But then you said there was some stuff that happened that kind of boiled down the song. So then now you're back to not having a real song to be wrong at this time again.
Yeah, because unfortunately, you know, the selector died. You see me? So, you know, say from a selector dead road a sound, you know. You know it got the whole thing I got mash up. So that really mash up Bashment Squad thing, you know. The youth never drop out, me I tell you. Yeah, man. So really that mash up the thing. The Bashment Squad thing, and whom did me thing wicked, man. Beat me bad, man. First me, yeah, me even know me there same way, brother. Me I tell you, I'm mercy, I Jamaica could go through something and still there. Wait, talk. But yeah, man, that mash up the thing wicked. Me make all, one time me have a look at monitor sound when me get from the Bashment Squad. They have that in a them office. Throw down. Cause I look and them man the thing the normal, you know. So I'm gonna meet them man, them see look a sound. We say everybody have Mackie box now. A Bashment squad first me go see that. And I say, you know, look a sound here. I want this time I have to go and play some party, you know. Go so boom, I lift up that car down my yard and I go and eat some food down there. After the youth dead now, the man then come back for that. Sound sell. Pay things start go on a bag of crocus now. You say beat this and me that all that jail. And different drama that. Yeah, I tell you.
So did you stop? You kind of stopped playing song, or what were you doing at this time here now, where everything kind of slow up?
Yeah, man. At that time, them better for ease off my street. I remember me through that meet the man come check me, you know, and unfortunately him dead. So you know that got people like say, yo, him settle the man, or him kill the man, a bag of that swing over my head. So you know me that for ease off for the road. You see me? Luck way. And them time then everybody start to call themselves and say, yo, man want kill you, you know, you right now. You see me, that me up on my own, brother, me I tell you. Yeah, man. Yo, that moment in my life, man. Terrible, man.
Yeah.
Me I tell you, me don't know how to survive, right? Yeah. Lose
And did you
everybody, man.
figure-
I'm a first you to me get money, mother. Sorry, mama. Yeah, man. Lift up. Cause you say, hey, dog, pop down, you know. God. Yeah, them.
So did
Yeah,
you have to go like get it like a job, or you're just holding it this time, trying to figure out everything that's going on around you at this time?
Me have to go and hold it, bro. I'll jail me go, you know. Yeah, man, I'll jail me go for 3 days still. Yeah.
Bruh.
The police don't tell man, I'm serious. The man them look, man. Yo, remember, you know, me get a gunshot to you know when the youth dead in. What? But they put me hospital bed, you know. The police come there in a plain clothes. Man, I deal with me normal like, yo, dog. Like man, that say, yo, you know me dead, you know, boy, I must come to there, you know, you. Wait. So man, I talk to him, I know that man, you know better. And the man have him books, so, you know. So all the bad what I say now, yo. Yeah, man, they know, say, I said, boy, I must such one. I said, I don't know that better, the way I talk about it better. But I said, no, man, me go and get that little party, skip that little party. Yeah, man, move forward and, yeah, man, come here tell us, bro, God, man, Jaja. Well, I'm take a sip. I tell me go back to that story, yeah. Yeah, my G, man, but move forward.
Yeah, but you see a lot. This is why I like to have these type of reason, these kind of conversations. Cause a lot of people see you on the stage. I seen you win $1 million twice and all of these things here, you know. But people don't really know what you had to go through to get here in the first place. That's why I like to really sit down and hold a reason with them more time. You know what I mean?
Real, a whole heap of thing, brother, man. Cause I'm telling you that part of my life, them are my last. And that was like 2006, 7. I'm telling you, when I'm a peak, you know, with Bashment spot in the brother. As you can see, no matter and calm down the pass of the thing. Like I said, we was next in line. So then I'm a peak. You see me, and one lucky incident, mash up the whole thing, wicked. Yeah, man.
Okay, so then when did you start to really catch back yourself and start to say, okay, time to touch back the road and start playing song again? How long did that really take for everything to kind of ease off?
I want to know the wickedest thing, and that's why more time, that's why them thing they even make me talk about God more. You see me, I believe in a God more, because sometimes when I read up the thing, them, it work out a way, look like sometimes a jack work in way or more and work it. Because before the youth there, they don't. I used to keep an event from my ends there on Palm Friday. You see me? And he used to come there too. You see me? But what happened now? Palm Friday, one Friday, me did that play. And you come to me when I'm Simon and say, yo, you know, say, me have a cousin have some Japanese who play music, so them want to play some song tonight. I say, yeah, man, bring them in, man. So Simon introduced me to a youth named Cody. When Mr. Cody I come now, I be a Japanese me see him with. You see myself, me know that youth named Cody now the night. Cody was the selector for a sound named Mad Dog with a Japanese named Shige Bamba. See? So them forward up on Friday, I'm sorry to play some music, but that was Bashment squad at the time, you know. Remember, listen good, you know. I catch a story, the youth never dead yet. See, but this was like a week or two before the incident happened. Me know the Japanese them. That's all Jarrett, you know, yeah, follow the story. A week or other 2 weeks before the incident happened, me end up know Cody, and Cody make me know the Japanese them. Me never know Marie though, me know Shige Bamba, which is a Japanese. Seeing? Yeah. So I start link up with them because them play and go on good and me and them dead and we all have vibes and me and Cody start link. You see me? Fast forward now, the youth from Bashment Squad dead, the selector. My thing mash up right there, sir. See me? But me still have the link with Cody. Cause him just know me, I'm just know him. So the link they kind of fresh. You understand? So what happened now? Me stuck on my yard, but him come see my talent and like it. You see me? I feel like him here we go on, you know. And you know, nobody not sure, everybody a speculate. See, inside fast forward and here we go on and him come from up a Parks Road. So him know me as a bad selector and feel like, Shabba, yo, brother, if you can't play ball, you say, you know, me carry you up on my place, go play, you know. So him start carrying me up a Parks Road. So now me stop play as Bashment Squad and start play as Mad Dog Sound. Cause him a par with Mad Dog, the Japanese them, you know. Sound a Mad Dog International. So Cody a par with Shige Bam Bam. So me start parring at the Japanese circle. So me put myself from Mad Dog Sound automatically through Cody a carry me go Parks Road. In at the time of the incident. So all of them time when me not get no date, but they no want to see me. Up Parks Road me there with Mad Dog and Cody. God bless the youth. Hey, big up yourself, Cody, anyway you're there in the youth. Cause the youth there, yo, me see man come drop him out of my yard, you know. Just finna make me and him link up, you know, because through the whole incident, no man not sure what happened. So nobody no want nobody there around me. The youth fight for keep the link with my man. Me I tell them man the youth that them Cody. I love the youth that one more time, youth. Anyway, they big up yourself. Remember, I tell you, so I can't pay you back in the youth. I cannot pay you back. Because them fight for me there around the Japanese them. The youth there them Cody.
And he was the one that really introduced you to the Japan link at this time.
Yes. Him introduced. And then him tell me about Marie too. And him tell me, say, yo, more you meet two female selector. Cause it was two of them, you know. Them body 45. Bad girl Marie, she play. And one next girl named Baby Nun, she MC. You see me? So never tell me about them, but me never look if you see them yet. Till one time, we play up in place again, Parks Road. I place them natural build. I think Zion Hill. Zion Hill people big up on yourself, you know. And they say link bill, you know. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because some man play some song. When I look, I see these two Japanese come play. And I mash up the place and wanna talk and wanna mix. And I say, I think them bad for true. Them time them carry crackers to, you know. So me I say crackers. We can't make them little girl that come here, come go around, we, you know, we have got beat them body, you know. Yeah, man. And I tapping at some juggling, you see. Tapping at some juggling. But before them, one time, I see Marie, pause right there, so. One time, I see Marie, one thing named Chiching chose her. One time, I don't know her still in the mongo. Here her name, because Cody Bina tell me about her. So, Shana tell me, say, yo, call body 45. So, me up on the microphone, the pan. Is that literally I see Marie them right there, so, and the turntable there, so. And I look on them, you know. And I say, body 45, link up. I say, Captain, them stand up and now move, you know. Body 45, link up.
Yeah.
Body 45, link up. And I say in my mind, them Cathy are hypey. You see me? So, go back to the story. When me see them as Zion Hill now, me I say, hey, watch me and them tonight. You see me? So when me beat So when me beat them bad now the night up at Zion Hill, here what the one named Marie come to me and say, yo, you know something like how you play? I say, wow. You should me say that. Ask her every day, I tell her, I say, you shouldn't tell me that, you know. You like how we do a play? You must be mad. And me I call to you all long. And you hype for me and I take no talk. You know, and you like how me play tonight? You're in a trouble, you know. You're in a trouble. Yes, man. I swear.
No.
I swear.
So
Yeah,
the funny thing with it, I didn't know you met her as a selector. I didn't even know how she got into music in the first place.
The funny thing about that, you know, I know she get into music. And you know when I know? It was like few weeks ago. Like literally few weeks ago, I know how she get into music. For real. Come and start question her. So like some deep convo we never talk about. We have that convo there before the Sunfest. And she tell me, I feel like, yo, you need to tell a story, because that story, that's amazing, brother. Yeah, man. So I know I meet her as a selector, as a DJ.
So you were hanging around the Japanese now. You're playing Mad Dog, and you brought Crackers with you because now this is the third song you guys are on together.
Right. I cook them a par. I'm gonna let him know it.
So you guys are doing your stuff there. So you were kind of on Mad Dog, or you were really just doing a thing until you figured out what you were doing for yourself at this time?
Yeah, at the moment, them on Mad Dog because I tell you, the man, them take up Bashment Squad sound, Selector dead, Bashment Squad thing mash up. Some of that for there somewhere. So at the time, I just dip on Mad Dog. You see me?
And you guys were playing around and stuff. Did you start, all this time that you're playing all these songs, did you start leaving the island yet to play music, or you're still in Jamaica, you never left yet?
Yeah, when I start traveling, you see me? When I start traveling down and catch you, I say, me not a foreign minded youth, So I never really that thing about foreign, really and truly. Me just want to be that local star that when I know say, yo, me I run here, so me I run this one. Maybe my mind kind of too small, you see me? So I never really that focus on the foreign thing, really and truly. Yeah. So I just that I go on. But I say I lock down some place and know say where I go on. Hold back over Vybz Kartel, Bashment Squad thing mash up. I have to find back my way in the thing. And we just go and work with Mad Dog. Well, I'll do some sound clash up them. I'll clash with a sound named Vertex. Kill it. What if I saw we kill up that side, man, and go build my name up there, sir? You see me?
Mad Dog, yeah, Vertexes with thing there. I think that was X-Ray them, and they had enough cartel at that time there too.
Yes, man. Yes, man. For real. Vertex a bad sound, man. But I think some youths from some different selector that play at the time still. Look like them never really know the box. And them time them sharp, Time them in the miss, I'm hungry, man. Now we are the man, hungry, man. As I say, man, no one in the food, man. Just say something where I feel like. That's how I in a rush him. Yeah, man. That's what I think about.
So now you're playing this Mad Dog. So then how long did it take from Mad Dog now to get back to Soul Supreme?
The Mad Dog, well, it actually less than a year, man. Less than a year because we just did about a year had. Because me and Marie start to par more now. So me and Marie start to link up because what happened now, them time we have the whole vehicle, so one car, I carry everybody. So me, she get bam, coding I carry, me, Marie, crackers, and thing. But to Marie again, I can, right, Joe, me I tell her, I say, hey, me love you, I'm married, no, I'm married right now, And I be a yada. I say, yada, what yada mean? She get what yada mean? And she get say, me no, I say, hey, funniest thing, I'm gonna get married number. Yo. After me pressure Marie, if you get her number in a bedroom. Maria killed me with this yada. I'm say, hey, I hope I get the number. She get me go check one day, The same Japanese guy, me go check him and say, yo, say Marie say if you give me a number. He say, eh? Me say, all right, if you not believe me, call her. Because me know him never call her, So me say, if you not believe me, call her and ask her. Him say, okay, me call her, Then him look at me and say, you sure? Me say, yeah, me sure, call her. So he say, all right, okay, give me your number. And the man give me Marie number. Me feel so good I know the next task, Japanese are some of the hardest people for deal with, Call Marie. What go on, Shabba? Shabba, what's up, little Shabba? So someone check your come on burn some CD. Oh, some busy. Me I call Marie for about 2 weeks and she busy, And me I say, all right, me I go figure out this. So one day I say, crackers, we go borrow her money, and go over there go check her. Them time she down on the ville, So one time I call her and say, all right, I said to myself, maybe she think say, me alone I come, maybe woman, I don't know. So I start telling her, I say, yo, me go come there with crackers. Can we want burn some CD from you? She said, okay, yeah, man, you can come, man. I said, glad it work. It work.
Yeah, man, you're different, boss.
Yes, man, but determined, brother. Me want determined piece of brother, man. Serious, man. I say, me want something I need for reach, so. And I go here, so. I go, You see me? But I take me straight from the question where they asked though.
No, but you were saying thing there that you were linking up with Marie these time. Yeah, okay, she's playing her own sound there. You're out there, you're still trying to figure it out and stuff. So then now you guys are all linking and stuff. How did you link back now with like the New York version of Soul Supreme?
All right, we'll fast forward from there, sir. But truth not reach this yet because what happened now, we still a link, see? So some part of Bashment Squad sell out. Because Bashment Squad have 3 sound, you know. It have the big Bashment Squad with 3 column. They have a next sound named Vybz Squad with 2 column and 1 rack. And them still with a 1 rack player. I love it. And build a 1 rack too. See? And then it have the little mini one named Mini Squad. So what happened now to everything sell out? Vybz Squad they leave. And when this side say, all right, Marie. I have to do a team thing now, you know. So we need a sound system though. Because one time me and Marie reason she go play a bossy choose a long time when it just a start. Them time the Fyah Link sound a play. She go play there and she play 15 minutes. So she come home and start ball and give me a reason a ball that say she want to play more and them give her 15 minutes. And I feel her energy. So me I say, oh, here we go, mama. As a female, you have few ways you can survive, you know, but it not gonna look good. One, you have to go run some front, find some promoter and some man and rare, forget the game. Or, yeah, me I tell her straight. Me I tell her straight, and that's what she rate about me, just tell her it's real like it is. Or, you have your own sound system. But unfortunately, you don't have your own sound system now and things, so we don't know that will work out. You see me? But me still have a link now to the Bashment Squad team. So me try to get a link with Vybz Squad for use the sound system. And me and Marie play. She play a body 45, me play as Mad Dog. You see me? Anyway, fast forward, long story short, that not work out. It worked out one night time till the crew split up with the Japanese and split up. We decided so we're gonna create a thing with him. We're gonna buy Vybz Squad sound and build it with our own sound. You see me? Try buy it, something go down with the boss and we end up build a different sound then. But we don't have no name for it. So the guy who build the box, him said to me, say, Richie, we have him soul in peace. Him say, yo, like how you love Clash and thing, why you not name your sound Notorious? Everybody are afraid of you, you know. And I say, Notorious, you know, really. And we build the sound. Me and Marie build the sound and some more Japanese and we build the sound and the sound comes alive and thing. And we search for name. Because we say we now about to use the Bashment Squad name. We're going to use one name where everybody can use. And then we decide to try to work with the Notorious. And so come with Notorious create. We don't really supposed to bring back yet, you know, Notorious create. Notorious start, mash up the place now, blah, 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 mash up the place. Look fast forward, mash up the place. Till me feel like, you know, we stuck one place too long. We need to upgrade to a different level. See it? Me just stood there one time, my voice, one dub plate. Then me hear, at the other side, represented for Soul Supreme. I said, what? My name Junior P. Rita, you don't know marijuana. I said, what? Soul so me not make them no wiser. Because a woman shout, only you famous, and say, yo, what go on? Soul Supreme, the back on the road, man. I say, yeah, man, here a little thing. I say, all right, cool. There, I see a thing. I see them do them thing. I see them clash with a sound. King Addies and thing with marijuana, them, and the man them win. I say, Marati, them they back on the road for true, man. But I never left a sound. I go back up a sound. Boom. And I decide, say, you know, I go back in that circle here. I get a call now. Toulouse call me and say, yo, where the pan? You know, I go back and Soul Supreme, and then me and Toulouse reason it out, and I end up back on Soul Supreme. But when I reach on Soul Supreme now, a Royal Clash, them will go. When I reach back on it officially now, them will go a Royal Clash.
Yeah.
2012 or something like that.
That's the one with Lynx, I think, and Renaissance and a couple more of them were in it at that time there.
Yes. Because before then, them time I start travel. Before then, no, me that travel and then I go New York, post up something. June and them find out, say, yo, Shabba there, Brooklyn. So I check with. But you never have the connection with them. So anyway, from this, the link make. So I invite me to come at the World Clash to come play the song. So me I say, Jano, I tell Marie, and I say, Marie, no, so Soul Supreme really want me come back around the song, but what me I go do with Notorious? So me and Marie reason it out, and Marie I say, yo, no, brother. Remember your love Clash, you know, you're a listen, you know. If you go, take the opportunity there. So me I say, if me go, remember you never come in, or we never go, the thing I go mash up, and we done build Notorious. So the point is, when we go back Pants was a dream, but they already have Notorious already, you know.
You had it
I do
already. So
road, you know.
okay, what year did you guys build Notorious?
Notorious merge on Come Road 2010. 9-10 to be
2010.
exact. One of them time there. I think
Yeah.
at 10 though.
And you said it was really a crew of you guys that was really, there was like a few
Yes.
of you guys
Was a
that
body
was
of us.
on Notorious. Yeah.
You're right.
But you seen that, okay, clashing is your thing and Soul Supreme your song from long
Right.
time is back on
Right.
the road.
Right. Right. Right.
So you ended up in the World Clash, or you didn't go, or you ended up...
Yeah, because Marie forced me. Marie really said, take the chance, Yash. But through me, I said, if me do it, I go eventually they back Pants was a pre man. Me what me I go do with Notorious. So me always did I worry what me I go do with Notorious. You see me? And Marie said, here we go on. You know what? If you go and you win, you can stay so to bring for about 4 or 5 years, you know. And then go back to Notorious and bring Notorious. You know. And she tell me that in a real talk, and sorry, Marie, me not allow the business. You see me? And then me say, all right, you know what? Then me and I talk at the time, boom, Juna they link me. For say, yo, what you do? Can they want book the ticket? You see me, but 3 minutes to call me, I say, yo, me don't even know what me tell him. And I said, no, man, go on. So I make him book a ticket. And me end up reach at the World Clash now. But when me reach them, I go link them now, run a them restaurant, them club. I'm going to meet Marijuana and the rest of the team, them, but he did it first. And see, man, them do a real shot. I'm going me, I want to say, what is? I don't know if we do that something. First, I see this because I never know see a rehearse to play a dance. I never really see it before. You see me? So I feel like, I don't know if I can work with this, you know. It's like the man in my rehearse over play. Sorry, my general, no disrespect Marijuana. See, you know, I really say that, man. You see me? So I say, I don't know how to practice for talk and practice for play. Then if you line up them songs, and you go up on the stage, and before you start play, the same song them where you go play, the next man played, what you go do? So I always think about them thing there. So I did that World Clash, but I never bother play. So I decide, so I can't work with that. Oh, I see I go on, I can't do it. So I never bother play. And them time that Rito, I always tell me, say, oh, you're there in the place now. I make a mixtape and me I do a MC in like a freestyle. Just for New York City and big up New York. He might give me the name them of it doing to promote me in a New York that time. You see me, and me I tell him, say, no man, I'm not ready. I'm gonna go and soak in look a bit in a place. You see me? I'm gonna go and soak in look a bit. I'm there and go on. But then me actually up on the work that stage, man. I go up there and come off.
So this time when you went to that clash here, did you move to New York, or you just between New York and Jamaica this time here now?
Yeah, between New York and Jamaica. You know, them time they actually have my family in Jamaica now, you know, so I couldn't really stay in New York. But me did it between back and forth.
So even Jakes now, when was the first time you even linked with like Jakes now? Because I know Marijuana was there from early. I don't know if Izzo was there from early, but when did Jakes get into the link now?
All right, just get there when a clash go on with the World Clash stage Soul Supreme them drop out. I don't remember for them drop out first, something like so, I think. And you know, the whole team did upset. And I look at thing go on with the team them and the selector them and man them take with themselves and them decide them need them all give me the sound now because the selector them gone and me I say yo. But I just feel like I'm never ready yet. You see me, but I always hear Jonah be talk about some selector where yo Shabba, you need fear them out of lava and next youth. And he mentioned Jake's name. No one power on them man, they say yo, cause Jonah got the whole of juggling dance, man. Jonah the party man. You see me? So Jonah be start can't which part them there. So one time I got Bronx now, and there and Lava play. This is the first time I got see Jakes now, and Lava play. Because Junior always tell me about him, and Lava play no one. Jakes walk in and come like from the man walk in, you hear the man voice I do, you know. You see me? Then the man come take the microphone, as the man take the microphone, the sound trip out. So Junior say, yes, when me I tell you about the boy, and then he make a speech about thunder roll and broke my neck. No man can suck my neck rare on the place, bus and thing. And I said, Junior and bad. So Junior say, yeah, man, I want him work around the sound, man. You want him more fear around the sound. You see me? So I come now, GS forward in the thing.
Okay, so you weren't linking with Jakes from like Cinemax days in Jamaica and them time there.
No, sir. I want to tell you something. Just always hear about Jakes, but I never really meet him or know him. Really and truly.
Yeah. Yeah, man, because as you guys started to link and build that team, because Soul Supreme was, when I came to New York, like King Addies was the big man. Then you had LP and Earth Ruler. And like number 4 would have been Soul Supreme, where it's like, they had dubs, but they just couldn't seem to get the program together in New York. That was like almost like, they would always run number 4. There's Addies, LP, Earth Ruler, and far distance would be Soul Supreme. But you see, when you guys started to come around the sound now, this thing started to really gel together for Soul Supreme at this time here now.
Yeah, because the funny thing about that, even up till that time, I still never decide if I want to go back and really play Soul Supreme, Because there was a dance now, there's a dance with on YouTube, LP versus Soul Supreme. I want to make that dance to come about. Soul Supreme drop out of the World Clash first, then LP drop out after, and them decide. So I could circle it. You see me? But that time I really, me again to play the sound. But me just never like, me see like a planning thing. I don't know if a plan that way, right? So, me never really decide if I really want to go back and play the sound for good. Until one time now, me that Japan, and I come back to Jamaica. But me go see a flyer. Soul Supreme versus Fyah Links. So I saw Links. You know how long I want to hold it. Me got that dance.
Yeah.
But I never know me go play still. So I reach a New York. Junior P, yo, you have the song them? I say, yeah, man, me have some of the song them, and I have the new one them on the voice. Man said that at the same night at the dance, I reach, The same day at the dance, I reach. Man say, Jan Jakes a play sound, now I want to play the sound tonight, And we start chance first song, I come here, I say, really, but I ready catch your links. And I want to book him long time. Me I say, yeah, man, I'm ready, man. You see me? Boom, we start get the song them. Where Jakes will link up now. Yeah, some actually see the Jakes 1 hour before we go another clash there with links.
What?
1 hour before, and at this, me try show the man and say, me don't know how to rehearse or organize or create or plan something. Me know if you go in a dance, watch people and play music, because that's how me grow. If me play some song and it now work, me know if you switch. So, me and Jakes got the clash now with no plan, no idea. We just got that store selector. And the rest is history.
Boss. Because that was, I think that was 2014. And if I remember good, Links rough you guys up that night there still,
Yeah, but we rough him up to wicked, man. Wicked, wicked, wicked. Remember neck to neck the dance there going, Remember him win 2 rounds and we win 2 rounds, So dance, have you got duffy up, And neck for neck the dance going out through. Me don't know what them do with the audio, how it go. But if
Boss,
the audio that they release,
that's the most secret audio that everybody wants to know. Where is that audio, boss? Everybody wants to know where. We see piece of the video here, but nobody has the entire dance.
no man, who they really that the dance knows, man. If the audio that they release, man. Soul Supreme would I get the better half of it, regardless of links win. Remember links win by 1 or 2 song, You see me, I do a win is a win, Seeing? But at the end of the day, Soul Supreme rough him up wicked, man. Cause one night time, I remember the man said, something on that, Cartel versus Bourgeois, some jail argument. And when Bourgeois start beat him, And when we turn on all the chronics around there, now we ask them, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, no, that was a classic. That was one of the dances where people started to really pay attention to, like, okay, there's something going on with Soul Supreme right there. That was the dance there that people really started to really look back and say, okay, something's going on here. Yeah, man.
I believe so. And that's why I say if the audio did release, it would have good for Soul Supreme. Because you just get 2 selectors just start play the sound. Them know each other in a 1 hour time. And start play the sound. I only give links to fight there. It is a great for Soul Supreme. It won't be, regardless them lose. I think it affect them more that when they add in a release than when it really, if it be released. Real talk.
For sure. All right. So then after that, did you decide now after this dance said, okay, I'm going to just stay on the song now at this time here now?
Yes, man. Yeah, man. Fully Soul Supreme right now, man. They say thing them, man. I say, what? Where? And the type of lineup when I see the man them a forward with and the dance to me, I said, no, sir. You know how long me I wait for this? You have some me fit there. Notorious. Bye.
So then even when you decided now that you're fully back on the song, so were you staying in New York more this time or you were still between Jamaica
Yes,
and New
man.
York at this time?
Yeah, man. New York more. Back and forth same way. But most of the time, I'm really the New York still. Like one at a time, remember like a good 3-4 years. Me I spend Christmas at Jamaica and them time I start fresh out to call. Me I said, John was star. You know? For real.
Yeah. So bum, links to first. What was the next big clash that you guys had on Soul Supreme now? No, you and Jakes is linking on the song.
I think the next one we on Poison Dark in Florida. We on Poison Dark in Florida. All the dancer. Them all did in a release. We won the dance there. You see me?
That I did.
And
I
then,
seen the thing there. I seen the interview with Gibble where it was the victory interview and stuff with you and Jakes. So I know, yeah. But there's no audio for that dance there.
yeah, there's no order for that dance as well.
Boss.
And that was a
So how
wicked
you have two
too,
dances
because-
back to back with no audio?
Exactly. Me don't know what used to go on with audio, you know, to tell you the truth, you know. Me don't know why the man them. I think they better try to do a thing where if you release audio, people now go attend the dance. So they try to keep back the audio. But
Got you.
them thing that not work, man.
So then now you guys are out of Tinger. You guys are out of New York. You went to Florida now and want to go win against Poisoner, which is a Florida big bad heavy sound down there. How was that clash?
Yeah, man, the clash was great, you know. Because Rito them come up with a plan. I want thing Rito them, you know, them a genius, you know, they ram put them, you know, when they come on to marketing and plan. Them come up with a plan, say, all right, after the Fyah Jakes thing, man, them decide, say, them are gonna go for the hot sound them. Sound them were hot, we're going with it, like bad one them. Like if 5 sound around the community here, the top man them are go for. You see me? Surprise with that first forward up on the radar for Florida side. So we go for them over there. Brawling, man, and beat them bad over them, man. Them time of them have one just to play the sound him. Mad Bernard. Jakes deal with him wicked, man. Yeah, boy, Jakes bad still. And deal with him wicked, boy. I tell you.
Yeah. No, man, you guys chemistry again for two selected them that didn't really link for a long time. Your chemistry became that chemistry at that point in time, boss. It was when you talk about Jakes and Shabba, that's a team that was going in wicked at one time with the chemistry.
True, man. I think that does naturally sink, you know. Yeah, man, to tell you the truth, because me and Jakes, and like we play at the juggling dance them together, we really link. Even when me the New York, Jakes that Bronx, and me the Brooklyn. You see me? So we still not see each other until dance time, clash time. You see me? But through me a selector, and Jakes a selector, him know bars, me know bars. I do a clash when I clash bars not really make no sense. And then Jakes are one difficult, but Jakes not talk about time in and bars, you know, better. So if you mix with that Jakes, you know, my lad. I don't want not.
Yeah.
I don't want easy task, my lad, I tell you.
Yeah.
But it wasn't the
But you have
pressure,
to
you know.
figure
But
it
I tell
out.
you, it wasn't the pressure. Me I tell you what most of the thing, yo, when I time, you know, Jakes is a man. We can look on the laptop, you know. I see song we're going to play next, you know. You see, then walk out there, so a different thing in my talk, you know. I mean, you know what the selector I said, oh, what am I say? If me drop that song, you know, make no sense, you know. I'll switch the song.
Yeah.
So most of the time, so we play with a Jakes, man, you know, I know, and nah, my thing, man. So that selector, I don't know, it does work naturally, yeah, bro. Really.
Right there. Even the Chronics, the link with Chronics, how did that come around? Because when it came to Chronics, you guys were spitting Chronics like, you at one point you're even playing unnecessary Chronics. Like, why would you even play? The man them had so much Chronics around there, boss.
A Juna feel of ask that silly, you know. But we can't tell a look a secret. But no, a Juna be on the Chronics link. We don't really know that what them link them make. But well, believe me, Source of Prima and Chronics when me up on the sound, where up till today they may hear them play, you know. Some serious combination, you know. Seriously, you know, real talk, you know. Me I wonder if they remember them sang that. But me know them have it still. But me still not hear them. Man, they have Chronics for days, man.
Yeah, man, no crazy Chronics. And the thing with it, remember, you guys, So Supreme was a long time song, and you guys are cutting new tune too. So it's like you guys are getting everything, so they can't show off on a Garnet Silk and Dennis Brown, because you guys have all of these things there in your box. And then you guys are playing the new tune them on top of it too.
Yeah, because that was yeah, I said Jonah being Rita, the man of my genius, man. Because so when it come on to clash, everybody come together, you know. You see me? And then in them time, you know, most of the song them were Bill, really Junior, Rito, and me. You see me? Yeah, because me that part of building the dub box there. When me upon it. You see me? Because them now voice a song without my green light, you know. You see what me I say? And most of the time when them come with some idea, I say, hey, I don't like that one day, but work with that one. And that's why the thing that works so good, because if them give me an idea, I don't like it. Me tell them, I don't like it. Me come up with a suggestion and them I like it. You know, right? You see me? Yeah.
Definitely. So between that Poison Dart dance, what came next? Was that the Love Injection dance or the King Addies clash?
No, after the Poison Dark was Young Ark.
Yes.
Jamie, because me tell them man them plan to go feel look bad boy them. And you know, Jamie was one of the shooter. You see me? Yeah, remember Jamie have gone down all of New York one time. Remember that Jamaica?
Trophy man.
A boy over so. Name Jamie, Young Ark. Yo, that's how him. Go do a look at research and see him. But show me used to the yard thing. Now disrespect Jamie. When I see him, I say, man, I don't look like a killer, man. Because Joey used to, I say, when a man look like a killer, man, if you have the killer look there under image there, and when you see, yo, that boy look dangerous. But maybe things change now, we look so this evening. So, the dog never look too killish for me. So, I said, sure. I easy work, man. But I tell you, say, boy, bad still, man. Because boy play one splice chronics, man. Yeah. Yeah. But at the moment, we didn't know say chronics fake still, you know, because we can't hear the splice. And I tell you, the man stand by him thing and say, yes, me win. It's real, a custom. And then I'm going to do an interview, so I get it in my email. I say, I'm punk killer for him, go around with it.
Well, listen, but you know how much craft is in Sound Clash business already still, you know. You understand?
Yeah,
so you know that it's craft, bro. Nobody has more craft more than Panta. So you know the thing already, boss.
Yeah, for real. That's why I say we should stick to the argument and say, a custom.
Yeah.
If I mean, I'm not going to say me getting an email. That's what I mean. Them artists kill them. Me keep my hold my point same way. You understand what I say? So when you start saying them things, you know, people them start believe. Because almost. Remember, we have beat him all night, you know. We have beat him on all night until the man go drop a little splice, the man. So what's up, Rima? Trouble. Yeah.
And then there. And then so then it was a Love Injection after that one there?
No, I think it was Magash. Because I said the bad boy, them man, Magash now.
One there too.
Yeah, Magash, he got some boom and run out for LP over Trinidad there, you know. Come get a piece of strength in our business, you know. What am I saying? Brush him, for him time. Send for him. You see me? Yeah. And then now, the Love Injection was after the King Addies.
It was after. I don't know why I thought it was before the King. Okay, so then now that's what I want to talk, because that one was a real interesting time for Soul Supreme now. All right, this King Addies dance, because remember, this is Addies and Soul Supreme in one dance as a clash. Nah, man, how did this come wrong and what happened in that dance here now?
Well, how that dancer come wrong? I believe, you know, Soul Supreme and Addies them and the four giant them of America, you know, them have for them history. For them history. But me personally, when I just started go New York, one time going to Sound Chat Radio, and I think some interview thing in that go on. I see Kingpin them. Them turn them know me because them nobody know me name yet. And when me just know them turn everybody don't know me yet. You see me? And I talk when me start kill some, but when me just I see them on the interview. See the man them tough up themselves, man, and screw and now one corner by themselves. And me say every selector there's a reason. And me see them over there so. So in my mind, me I say, oh them boy, what true them play Addies and feel like them hype. So from them time, them have something in my brain and me feel like. And then when I listen to them, to me, no disrespect Kingpin, big up on yourself. When I listen to them at the time, because them get bad now, so I never say at the time. When I listen to them at the time, I say them boy are no bad, man. I sound bad. You see me? So anyway, fast forward, me see dance come up now and me I say, Lord God, this looks serious. But me never have no fear because me don't do a research when I select them. I know them no bad. So when me I got the clash now, me not target the sound. Because when I do the research again, King Addies have the street cred over Soul Supreme, you know. Seeing King Addies are the gangster sound, the bad boys on the street sound.
Yeah, man.
But the gangster them rate. So me I tell myself, say, yo, we can't war with Addies, you know. But me can kill the selector them. So if you listen, my round when me I play, the selector them me I murder, you know. You see me? So I saw me, I tell Jakes, me and Jakes them from day one. Because even the King of this dance, you know, the two brother them war and them not dealing with one Jonah, you know. Never one cut for me, you know. To me, I want to sleep. Never have this forever, you know. I war, the man them I war, and me get cut, me apart the man them. And the knife bust me on. Because we are prepared for the King of this clash. And all because of dub plate, you know, the man them don't agree, you know. Told the man them take it serious. But anyway, me I target them as the selector come here, so them boy in the bad, well, let's show them up. You see me? Yes, I saw we that beat them. That's why even at the next round when Jakes attacked, Jakes said, we King of this, we Father Ethan sang them there because we are show them up. You see what I say? Yeah, man.
No, man, that was a big one. And then why did you guys decide no tune for tune? We're walking out on the man? Because I think at one time you guys were even telling them, say, yo, you guys played your round short. We won a couple of rounds and we're walking out. We're not even doing tune for tune no more.
Yeah, because tune for tune never really needed for real. You see me? Never really needed, you know. Because we trick them. I remember, you know, through them get used to me, you know, with the quick mixing thing, the speed mixing thing. Them end up, I try to do it at the clash while we plan to slow it down. You see me? So we do the opposite what them I expect. You see me? And get carried away, them get through off of how them supposed to play. You see me? And I try to keep up a pace with we while we don't relax already and no say, yeah, man. So we actually take all of the round them. Really, when me can remember. One time I hear the man about to the people, they say, people, no give me a forward now. The man. You see me? But you don't know fans still. Fans are going to say, because me still see people, maybe people say 2-2 or something like that. You see me? I say? But yeah, man, they need glasses to see it, man. And them get beaten, man. They don't need that tune for tune.
No, man. It was when they played what brought them back into the dance at one point was when they started to unload like the Super Cat and those ones there. That brought them back into the dance. But before that, you guys were dominating the dance. And I mean, from first round, come down, but there was a round where they played the cat them. That brought them back into the dance.
Yeah, them forward there already make forward, you know. Them forward the bill and put on, you know. And that's the difference between them and Soul Supreme. Soul Supreme not have no song where people look forward to. You see me? King Addies have their anthems, them Soul Supreme not an anthem. So them time that we have to fight for stand for our foot and play our song them and make it come across where people like them. You see me?
And at those times, this is when, even before, was when you were starting to show people that you're MC too, you're not just a selector. So then was it kind of like almost bringing a vibe between you and Jakes? Because sometimes you want to talk when you're supposed to be selecting and he's supposed to be talking?
No, and that's true because people have some bad mind, you know. Dirty Shabba, no, man. Then that me I try to tell you, say, remember 2012, you know, the man them bring me upon the sound, to play the sound, you know. To be a MC / selector, you know. Seeing? Even, as me tell you before, we tell you that if we make a mixtape and talk and give me some crew if you big up. Because I want the people them get used to me attack. And me hide from that, Because me never ready to do that. You see me? What happened now? Rito again always I tell me to talk. Me never plan to talk, none at all on source of him, And it there, everything is there. See? The dance with links. Me no talk. The dance with Poison Dart. Me talk sitting in the last part, but the hard and the out, so nobody in the ear. See? The dance with the Young Ark. Me talk for about 5 minutes, few little thing in the first round. You see me? Because me never really want to talk, for real. Like really, me never want to talk. You see me? The dance with Magash. Me talking at the first round again through Rito. I force me to talk. Me really never want to talk, See? Because me feel like if Jakes are going good and Swords Brim a win, anywhere Swords Brim reach, me go reach automatically, So me they always good. You see me? And then me they always tell myself, say, maybe later down the line, maybe in the next 3 to 4 years, maybe me don't know, but I go back on Notorious and bring across my thing. I never want to show the world everything, honestly. So me never kill out myself for doing the talking. See? With Addies now, why me start talk now? Because the man them war, me get caught, and we have to decide how we have to do it. So we are back and forth from phone. You see me? And the man them decide, say, Shabba, yo, here we go. You have to MC the first round. You have to MC. So Supreme team, team members, Junior and Rito, decide, say, look, Shabba, you have to talk for the first round. So it's not a thing where me they really want to talk. And that is the truth.
Yeah, because as you say, it's no secret. People almost feel like it was almost like they wanted you to play your position. Like if you're the selector, you go and select. Jakes is the MC, make him go and talk. That's what some people were feeling at one time. And some people feel like, say, yo, Little Shabba is kind of wanting to be MC and play song. Either pick a side. That's what people were feeling at one time there.
Yeah, man, like Mr. Man, because remember, I tell you, the man them bring me back on the sound for come play the sound as a MC / selector, You see me? I say, all right. You see, if they decide to play it from 2012, maybe Jakes want to back on the sound, Because me would have been take up the part there, if we did want to do that, Remember the dance with LP versus Source Supreme. Me up on the stage, up on YouTube, I was on the stage in a one black suit. Me had the opportunity to talk to you, but could I take you so when I run it, Me never want to talk, brother. You see me, I just say, man, them, not me, no, the man must say, dog, talk, really. Because they know me can do it. You see, because they know me can, especially Junior. You see me, they know me can do it.
So it's the team wanted to see you, but the people in the general public didn't really understand that, okay, the team is sending you out, so it looks like you're the one pushing yourself up.
Yeah, and then true, me as a man, when I boring on sound, when I stand up on sound. Because when me try to do is sell the song, them and sell the forward, So me react. So you see me make to run out while the song I play, because me a energy man, bro. You see me? So me like to do them little thing there. Remember me short, So more time they run the sound. Nobody now see me, so I have to make them see me, I have to make to run out. Yes. So I really that them a praise still, I feel like.
Yeah.
You see me? But me they good with which band they are play, man. Honestly, man. And if the Source Supreme team them willing to come talk it truth, man, them can tell you, man. Say me one of the humblest youth, man. Me never really want to talk, brother. Them force me to talk. And me just say, chat pan 2 song in the first round.
Just like that there. So then, okay, that's the Addies dance there. It ended where you guys walk out. People are talking, say you guys shouldn't have walked out. Should have been tune for tune. You have your side, they have their side. Okay, cool. That was one history dance. This is the next history dance here now. Bass Odyssey. Because remember, you guys were clashing a lot of the American songs at this time here now. This is the real, okay, yeah, you guys did links, but this is when you guys just got on the song. But now you're on the song, and this is the Bass Odyssey History Steely Bashment dance here. How did this dance get set up, and how did you guys prepare to really deal with Bass Odyssey now?
Well, the dance gets set up as in because through the man them kill Addies Cause like you have to step up your thing, you know. So you can't up on one level, so you don't know. You kill off the look young one, them like the GM them who do them thing and you go up the rank. So I say, well, yeah man, no time now, you can't go for Addies, you know. You see me? So that dancer comes alive because of that. Man, they must step up them thing more, you see me? Yeah. And then going at the dancer now, it was just the same procedure like Addies. We just know say, all right, BS Addies, a big sound, bad sound. Them have them fans. You see me? But we have to just do what we have to do. You see me? But we not use about neither wifey but to burn off your butt. Because we don't want to find an excuse, and this is not an excuse neither. But some little thing that go on. It's just like Addies. Every time it come on, because when it come on to Soul Supreme sound in the bedroom, Soul Supreme sound are literally a family sound, you know. In a good
100%.
way.
Mama
Everybody come
Sally
together.
and the two brothers. Yes, man.
Yes, man. When it come on to Soul Supreme and Sound Clash Virgin, that thing everybody come together. So it's serious, right? It's really serious. So even with the bass of this dance, what may I tell you? Some issue with that one, some internal issue, especially upon the MC side. So anything with even going on details. You see what I say? Yeah, dog. So that dance, how it's supposed to go, it no go on our side because of internal issue.
Because even that dancer too, this is where the crowd kind of wasn't vibing you guys for a while, where you guys basically try to pay tribute to Squingy like you guys are almost playing bass Odyssey type of style. And people like, nah, boss, that's not what we're here for. They're here for Soul Supreme style of clash. You know what I mean? Why would you guys even think that this is a smart thing to do at this time here now too?
No, really and truly, that's how Sound Clash go still, you know. Yeah, man. And me create it, you know. I've been a listen to audio and I hear, you know, regular hear Squingy them at week, man. Hey, boy, this gone. Pop off a leg, pop off a foot. That's how it go. You know, you try to kill some song for neutral the badness. So me and the anthem, you will have no, make we see how the thing go. You see me? But I guess the crowd never really, I think I kind of overdo it, you know. I could be real, you know. Yeah, man, I feel like I overdo it, man. If me even burn out a couple of them songs, I still have stress on it. Yeah, you overdo it, you know, Shabba. You have to stop it, man. Yeah, man, real talk.
Because this was a deck stance where I don't think you guys ended up playing True Free, and you guys ended up locking yourself off in this dancer and said, sure, have a good night, and left the dance again.
Yeah, because the man them actually win the round them. So we did that waste time. Then no, the securities, time. Please have to wrap up. So me I said, brother, GX, come on, man. Better waste some more time, man. So what you gonna do? You can't play 2 songs now and win back your dance. That can't win back your dance. I'm done already, you know.
But you see, again, this is where the bad mind Shabba came into play, where they're feeling like Jakes is really trying to finish the dance or finish the round, but you're the one that decide like, sure, we're going to pack this up here, and you got the blame for that.
Yeah, then me get the blame. Because me feel like it pointless, like the dance actually done then the security again. Because I realize that the New York, them security over there say, you know, man, they will just shut down your place, you know, while you're up on the stage, you know. If you don't work with them thing, you know. So him already signal me because I may play the song. You see me? So I just there and feel like, come, GX, wrap up this here, man. For real. This is what it is, man. You don't know the man them.
And this was you came up with this on your own. It wasn't like a team said, okay, let's just do it. You just figured as a selector, you just Yeah. And
man.
That was what people seen as a problem, you know what I mean?
Yeah, for real. Maybe. Go ahead.
Even these times here, I think there was like a little issue between you and Jakes at this time here too, you know. Because I know there was some voice note going around with you saying certain things about Jakes, you know.
Oh, no, issue never did one. Oh, the voice note there, do you remember about that? No, issue never no, issue never really did it, you know. No, you know, so the issue never did it still has what material. Some internal problem, not with we and the team member them, but a personal issue with man and film life. Something we're not going to disclose, you see me? Yeah. So you don't know, it make the focus not really there. You see me? The focus not really there. You see me? But the issue never really there with me and him, man. Them voice not there. Them voice note there. All right, to tell you the honest truth, Jesus Christ, take a serious. Because I never taught them something I hate. What the brother name do the interview in my boy, they drink him thing. One of them interview with this, you know. All right, them voice note there. Them voice note they leaked by Jakes himself, you know. Jakes leaked them voice note there. Because when I hide on, you know, I work at full time the world, hear the truth. I hear my side of the story. Them voice note they leaked by Jakes himself. You see me? But here what them voice note that come out now. And when me just start go up on the sound. When me just start go up on the sound and Jakes go up on the sound, him get a date in Atlanta or Boston. I don't remember after which one of the dancing, but I think it was before Magash. It was before Magash Clash. See, Jakes get a date in Atlanta or Boston, one of them places. So them time they know Father P, they sick in the hospital, rest him soul in peace. You see me? So me they there with them and thing. You see me? So one post come make Jakes in our airport. You see me? So we take us and call Jakes and say, yo, where there? And Jakes the point, yo, my tell us something about date in Atlanta. Airport me there, where? And the man said, Jakes, calm down. I will tell you talk to you, calm down. Jakes, if you got Atlanta by yourself, I don't know. And next thing, the selector there, Shabba there, sir. Are you the airport, Jakes? That's so the whole argument start. Because what me know, we have a group where everybody, So now, through the man the airport, phone have to hang up now, then the back and forth now with him and Rito in the group and the one bagger sitting and me not say nothing, Me not say nothing, and then let me tell you something. You see, the whole time, Jakes are the aggressive one. Remember, the man that's called him and say, oh, you're there Atlanta airport, and you go and we don't know one, then the selector there. And the man get on top of him voice, I remember to January, man, this a deal, when I saw that kick off. You see me? So now, them they are back and forth now, and I true Jakes just lead the part, then for lead the part where him a chat, and a chat a bag of thing. One time Jakes a tell him and then say bad this them buy it. And we a bag of thing in my lad. The man go hard, And me they not say nothing, You know how me start talk now? Cause me that the house. And when me really hear the man a go on and me I say, John, how the dog a go on, so I feel like, all right now, Jakes. I feel like you get over here in my general, calm down. Cause me not think there's something wrong with what I tell him. So I suck come now, me start. Say, bad man, calm down yourself, Jakes. Man. You going like, you see me? Yeah, real talk. But when Jakes do not leak the voice, no, go tell it, you give him a conversion where you up on Cinemax. So you the man, deal with all kind of play victim, You see me? And them voice note, they go reach Trooper and Trooper go so boom and drop them. And rare, but you know, hear Jakes part. How come you have a conversation? And you hear Junior, Vito, Shabba. So you nobody ever hear what Jakes have to say. At that part, if you hear, man, you want there for him work on the sound or him on the sound. So we never really have no issue though, because all of that was solved later and everything. You see me? Yeah.
So you did all these clashes, doing a lot of stuff. Was most of your clashes, I think, was in the States. You didn't really leave the States and clash on Soul Supreme.
Right.
Yeah. So why did you end up leaving Soul Supreme now to go back to Notorious?
Lord Jesus, again, Jakes supposed to hate me when I interview you down. The pressure start forward though, start pressure. You see me? Because at one point now, me the America represent Soul Supreme, come back to Jamaica, I do my thing as Notorious. So nobody ever really have a problem with it, It's only Jakes. I always I say, dog, if you give me the full 100, dog. Remember, I left Cinemax, dog. I give up my thing, dog. And I said, no, they say you're wrong, my general. Cinemax is not your soul. Notorious is my soul. So you can left Cinemax anytime. Me can't just left so. Because the problem is, show me there's America represent Soul Supreme. Come back to Jamaica, represent Notorious. Kind of truth, have a look at juggling date them and thing. Me kind of that see it as a little problem. As I said from day one, me done a preach, so out of the work, that's why I never want go back as Source Supreme. I'm married, say, yo, you can't go on, man, right? You see me? Then now, me decide, say, all right, you know what? If you done the argument, come I like the camp, I'm like when me there, me gonna merge the sound. So me scratch all of that. The interview, you just say something about Gibbo. They pan Gibbo too. One of the interview them, the day when I announced, say, me I merge Source Supreme and Notorious together, so there's no more Notorious. So when me that yard with my sound system, me name it Source Supreme. Me normally have the flag, them Jamaican and Japanese flag on my back. Because my Jamaica compete it out. And have it in a full black. And I return my sound as Source Supreme and have done here play. Me have hard up and dance, so me I play. Me and Marie play as Source Supreme. Because me merge the sound now. You see me? Do all of that. That still wasn't enough. Now the man them at Jamaica now with the sound system where they are. With the next Source Supreme sound system where they are. Because remember me have my personal sound system. Them they already have one. Them man they start to complain now. Say me I use my sound system. I get date. And them now get the money. So me I say brother only down a better yard. Plus me have youth on my sound where I lift box and I work. So what me I go do? Take for them money where work and can go home with their phone yard. So it start cause a conflict and one bag of sitting till the real deal start. Yes, so no again meet, no again mummy Sally come down, come keep meeting. Then something where the man them at Jamaica start talk, the team where they are Jamaica. The man them say me there pint till I play my sound as Soul Supreme, me a hide and I play. So me I say, brother, it's not hide and I play, it's merge, the sound merge. So if me I play my sound as Soul Supreme, not the brand me I endorse because I have a problem, say me I play Notorious. No, me I play Soul Supreme, but they still have a problem. Them thing that the man them are talking at the meeting, you know. I'm be a thing, you know, me I say, Jaja, what me have to do for please them people, you know? So when we do the match now, I feel like, oh, you know, say, come on, like the man them want me sell my sound. Like literally sell my sound system and just focus on for them thing. So at the moment in the meeting, you know, I decide, say, you know what? You know, me I go walk, and I not sell this, you know. I not fight with them neither, you know. Because something but the man them talk, I can't believe, brother. Some people sitting the girl picking the thing, but the man them a watch. And at the brand me, they are endorse. And them have a problem. When I endorse the brand, them have a problem. Me endorse the brand, a problem. Somebody decides to me allow this, you know, brother. Yeah, man, me allow this. And all of them things that boil in me, I'm going to stay and I say, Judge, all them things I have to undergo, but now do it, you know. Now do it no longer, you know. Yeah, man. And the meeting, they change everything. From the meeting, they decide, say, I go Lego that campaign, you see me? Real talk.
And what year was it where you decided to go fully back to Notorious?
2017.
2017?
You see me? 2017. Me already tell myself, say the 1st of January 2018, I'm going to make a post. Me already said that from 2017, me tell myself that. Because from the meeting, you see me? This I say, never done with this, brother. Because me don't know what to do for please, that's so clear. You see me? Yeah, somebody says, no, I'm going to move forward, I'm going to go back on my thing, you know. You see me? Because GX award me on one side, say, me not run with the brand, no me a play Notorious at Jamaica and I play Supreme at foreign. Then when me come at Jamaica, I play Supreme, is a problem. I say me go allow this. So me done met that already. And the worst part about it now, why SGS do all the video and upset. Me I didn't just talk to you know. When me make the post, you know. Yeah, man. As they hang up, me make a post, man. Yeah. Cause me I say, me not try pencil out this. Cause if me not do it now, it will happen again. You see me, there's no way to fix it. Me represent them America, I represent Notorious at Jamaica, it's a problem. Then me abandon Notorious and I represent Soul Supreme at Jamaica. I still a problem. Me can't bother. You see me? Real talk.
Just one of those things are special with songs. So then that kind of, you and Jakes kind of, that put a vibe between you and Jakes at that time there.
Yes, because he's a man who always a push that something there, brother. Hey, you fight it, you know, my lad. You see me? I say, I'm overstanding, That's why I try my best and say, guess what? I'm going to merge the sound. Because nobody else ever said this to me, You see me? Just for the record, no Return never tell me nothing about that. Juna never tell me nothing about that. It's only GX and the man them at Jamaica on the sound have a problem with me. I use my sound system. Because I'm going to see that video, and then want to lie me and tell, and then can't confront me and say it in front of my face. And me never say this yet to nobody. Me never go on the but people ask me for interview when me just leave. And me not me turn down all of them because me decide to me not talk about this. You see me? But true, me see the dog doing video one time. Me say, right, me can't tell my side of the story, when the time right. I know me feel like the time right. You see me? And none of them can say, I know so it go. Because me have received for everything. Me have advised what them say me have everything. Because it was a group. So if a man get up a man and decide say, I'm going to prove so lie, I'm going to tell. Well, me start from a receipt. Because it's there. The give interview when me say merge my sound, it's there. There's audio on SoundCloud when me and Bad Gyal Marie play as Source Supreme. It's there. So, I know girl, me a girl na cap. But me don't know what to do again. Me do everything and it still not work out. So me I said, me don't know what to do.
It's a lot of certain things. Right now in 2024, how are you and Jakes right now?
Yeah, boy, me not think we're good, From my side, me okay with it, But me don't know. Because, yeah, joke. When we on Shockwave for Clash, in a new year there, I think at 2019, my voice a low shiner. We say, imagine, because them time there, through just left Supreme and we start Clash now as Notorious. You say, imagine if Jakes walk on the stage, give Shabba the trophy. The man forward that Clash, Jonah them forward, go heal them up and think. I mean, them did good them time there. You see me, man forward that Clash and me say, yo, Jakes, say more you do one thing for me, dog. One thing. You're not going to talk, you're not going to do nothing. You're going to call you up and you can stand up on the stage. That's all. Man look for me, so. Me I say, brother, you're not going to say nothing, So the man look for me and say, John Shabba. John, nah, go to say, And me I say, dog, I just sang me every morning, drop a big you up, Dog, I say, nah, go to say, dog. You see me? But this is what me I say I might be fucking because there's a video where I'm come up on the stage. You know why I'm come up on the stage now? That after we win. When we win and the celebration I go on, that time we go up on the stage, after we win already, Me already play the song long time ago, and they never forward, After we win now, we forward back. And me play back the song and get the forward. Can me just see that show him say, dog, and the video is there. Same thing me say to him, say, Jakes, this me the wire there, That's exactly what me say on the video. Me I said, dog, this me the wire there, because me already make him aware of what me a plan for do. And he never work with it. You see me? And now till me see him run out with one video about me a splice song and Ray. But when me watch the video, me I say, if people really observe the video, him not really a cuss about no splice song, Him really a cuss about true me leave his sound, But now you actually run me a fight damn sound, brother. Can't you pressure me every minute? Me just, why for the owner? This not for the Rito and Jonah. Let's make that clear. Is the man them at Jamaica with the sound system we're down here. And Jakes are gas it from over one part. So me change the name, and when me change the name, I still the problem, brother. You see it? So
just one of those things.
First when it's all an interview, what's not good.
No, but again, this is why a lot of times you see one side of a story where you hear certain things, you see certain things. I like to really try get down to the nitty gritty and really understand what it is that we're seeing. Are we seeing half and we don't really know? You understand?
Right.
Yeah, man.
Right.
So okay, Bob. You guys did your thing. You did your thing on Soul Supreme. You did your time. You guys helped raise Soul Supreme profile to a level, and I didn't even realize that Izzle was around the same time too. So then when you left, Izzle just really took up the whip, and then they went about their business doing their thing around there. You know what I mean?
No, Izzle the actually, there was a youth, he did it, named Jabberks, What Jakes actually bring on his own, you know. Because true, as I said, true, me ever come to Jamaica and do my thing. So the local juggling dance, them Jakes want somebody up there with him. So him bring in a youth named Jabberx. You see me? Jakes kick him back off his own. Then him bring in Israel. So Israel, they always dead and thing. You see me? But this way that do the local juggling part. You see me? But through me now, move now, Israel have to step up to the clash part. You see me? But Israel never, if you realize them, they cancel one clash, you know. One supersonic, one sonic sound of Europe versus was a Brim. Camouflage, I think it was camouflage. And them cancel it because that time I just leave a sound and them say, yo, them know say Israel never can manage because you don't know. Israel no build, no know the back set and you don't know, you see me? But catch on and him a go on with himself now. I think the only person so far me and them good we connect Israel still, you know. Yeah, man, because me and him still link same way, man. Regular dog heal me up and I bless him up same way. For real.
Proper.
So big up Israel.
Before we even leave the whole Soul Supreme, there was one thing, this is going to bring us forward a bit just now. I know you played SumFest. The first time you played SumFest, it was with Soul Supreme, where you played like a clash on SumFest, you know.
Yeah. That one next thing will cost the whole thing. Hey, a whole heap of, that make Jakes hate me still, you know. Because maybe Andre Digital alone know them story. Jakes attempt to leave was a dream about 3 times already, you know. You see me? But the Sunfest thing now, when the Sunfest thing comes around, Jakes that Jamaica, Easy that Jamaica, try if we do the clash. Seeing? But some argument go on. The argument always go on with the camp and Jakes, because I don't know Jakes are the man, so Jakes feel like him entitled for certain things. You see what I say? So more time the dog rough up himself and bother up himself. But sometimes Soul Supreme team give my energy like, remember if you want to go on, you can cut Little Shabba there, you know. You see me? Yeah, that local vibes there. So it's like him always, you know, more time the dog just get frustrated there, man. Because Jakes a local man head go and come, you know. You see what I say? So yeah, that's one best thing they know. One piece of war again with the team. Team war, this time on the phone, I live and direct war. Tongue of Jamaica, you know. June P there, them time there. Sunfest lineup and Sunfest of tonight. GX them there. You see me? And something for go on. I don't remember exactly what for go on. But we decide, say, we now got a clash, you know. Me, GX, Israel decides we now got a clash. We go up at one place where GX have up one part there. And we go up there and hold a meeting. And we decide, say, even them time there, right now, GX are playing Notorious, you know. And Israel. That's what we say after Sunfest, I hate me more, man. Because what happened now? We decide, say, we're going to done with Supreme. Because some little thing for go on and now go on, dog. I say, so what we decide, so we're going to done with Supreme. And then I start cussing about my sacrifice for me I make, and it look like it not accepted. You see what I say? It's a whole package. Boom again, Jakes walk out and meet in Jamaica again with Jonah P. Them and walk out and done with it. He's a walk with me, walk with. You see me? Gone about business. So Sunfest are today. Junior alone stand by, I don't tell no one. Somebody I think already did. I see me, boom now. Junior go say boom and call me. And I said, John Shabba, come give me a link. Boom, me go give him a link. One bag of thing now, because Junior them strong anyway, no. Junior powerful youth, you know. So some little vibes that go on now, that get involved with someone that said, man. And it will go away when I feel like this don't make no sense, you know. Better we quash this now then, you know. You see me, because it all forget out and now. You see me? And Junior said, we done get contract already, you know. We signed contract, you know. You see me? A business this, you know. So here I go on. Brother, just go do the clash with Dan. A business born a man, just go do the clash. Remember, you and Solid, them a come from far and rare. One bag of thing, and the thing kind of get a weird, brother, myself some way to go. But as I said, General, you don't see me go just do it, my general. And man, I said, I'm tear dog, just go do it, my general, and nothing. You see me? Rare dog. And me end up, go do the clash. But GX them never know, or Rito Izzy them never know. So when we go do the clash down, the man I say, and the boy Shabba betray us so after we an implant say we yeah dog. Real talk. But I just pressure upon junior side now and the understanding with Sally and remember me tell you them thing the normal certain upon certain because me know come my yard man and I see them thing in the street. And some people will call me and say, Jano, I have to fix it. So true me don't want it escalate that way then. But I say, you know what, let's do this and done. You see me? So me just do that clash there and just know say that's what's the rap for me, you know. So whether it go and go forward or not, me just know say that's a clash that me I do and that's it. Real talk. So that was my final clash and dance. Pan Supreme.
Was
That's
the
Sunfest.
SumFest Clash, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's the one where you diss Mataran in that one there, though.
Yeah,
Wig.
yeah, man. When me remind him boy in wig.
It's Shabba, it's like, listen, you're a vibes man, but you seem like you're a troublemaker too, you know, boss. You have vibe, but there's just something about you, boss. Yo.
That's true, man. That's true. No, man, you know, say, yeah, man, we have vice person still in there, but me don't know, for
Yeah.
real, me I try to figure out the part there, you know, there's something star. More time, me don't know star.
You're different still, you know. So okay, that was so supreme. You guys did your thing, whatever. You guys stand where you stand. Okay, that's cool. So then now, this is now where Notorious got you guys started doing your thing now. Cause what I rate with Notorious is the way how you guys cut your dubs. You guys dubs are so, they sound different, even if they're not the customs. Just the way how you cut the regular ones, them wicked, boss. Where did you guys even come up with that way of thinking to say, yo, this is how we're going to start cutting our dubs for our song here?
Yeah, because then to me I come from the Supreme camp there too. And I'm tell you when you come on to cut those still in a junior, the man Richard, the man they're genius, you know, man, the man they're gifted for that, you know. You see me? But with my ideas to it work. So me realize say, all right, no mega carry that with me and carry that with me. You see me? Because I always have to try to be different. You see me? I always have to try God. If the rhythm not different, the lyrics supposed to different. You see me? I'm a believer in a thing name. No song not supposed to dead. And every man have write the same song. For example, that song I had that song now and 5 sound a clash. You all 5 man them have the same dub, you know, same song them, you know. So when a man play it, you one dead, you know. But me no plan to do that. More when him play it, me still can't use mine and kill him. You see me? More when him play it, me I say, yeah man, that more you do, you know. So I saw me decide when me I do my song them. For Notorious.
No, man, they're called wicked there. I know this was like this is where like the world again really started to notice Notorious, was when you guys were in the Boom Clash. I think this was 2019, because I said 2017. Because you guys juggle enough, you know. You guys are all about the place, all over Kingston doing stuff. But in the Clash world, it was really the Boom Clash. I think it was 3 nights you guys clashed. I think the first one might have been Love Injection was the first one you guys clashed? Or was it Dynamic? Love Injection.
Dynamic was the first one.
Dynamic was the first one. And then you got to Love Injection and then ended up with Hurricane being the last song.
No, and then end up with Dynamic again.
Oh, yeah, okay, so you clashed. In Boom Clash, it was twice you guys clashed.
Yeah.
How did you guys end up clashing 2 times in the same one series, the same Boom Clash?
Everybody I wonder the same thing. But just because Dynamic, he make a good impression in him. Come do him thing in him, man. Him come Shelly place, you know. You see me say people them like him. So it's like I believe they believe say, maybe I'm the only one who can kill Notorious, you know. That me think. You see me, that's why we end up to clash him again. You see me? Yeah, that me the really think still. Maybe them feel like him could have killed Notorious and them want them kill Notorious, so them send him again. You see me? So we just decide say, remember Duppy, we killed Duppy, man. I don't know who bury him. Someone just bury him.
Yeah.
Why do you still big up yourself Dynamic? You know, I go so
no, man, definitely. I speak when I speak into Bad Gyal Marie, I saying to me, Dynamic seems to be you guys' rivalry where you know how there used to be Jar and Black Cat? It seems like it's Dynamic and Notorious where you guys should really look into this and take it on the road because you guys bucked that boom, you guys booked at SumFest again. You guys booked at Welcome to Jamrock, the Sound Clash. You guys keep bucking and neck to neck. Sometimes he wins, sometimes you guys. You guys really need to look on that and really take that on tour or do something with that there. Notorious versus Dynamic worldwide.
Yeah, for real, for real, for real. What may I lead him, cause what? Watch out. At the fourth that this him get, you know. Can me kill him 2 times a boom clash. Right?
Okay, twice at boom, yeah.
I remember Magnum kill him in a Guyana.
Okay, we're gonna Magnum killed him in Guyana too. Yes, you weren't at that clash there.
No,
It wasn't you that got you.
but it's one Notorious,
Yeah.
right? So me count that as 3. And then now the Sunfest 4. And
Okay,
him just,
but he has
him
the
just,
Welcome to Jamrock is the one that he
yes,
passed you guys
4-1.
in.
It's a 4-1.
No,
No, a
But
4-1. I'm
even
still a lead.
got you. Even here now with the same boom clash, this is where again you gotta find yourself in some sort of problems. When you're clashing Love Injection, you decided you want to come up with the Power Ranger suit. Why would you want to come up with a Power Ranger suit? Power Ranger, boss?
Yeah.
This is where they caught you again, boss. A Power Ranger suit, boss. Anything you could. A Power Ranger, boss.
Yo, John was star. You know what I'm saying? John
Yo.
for real. John, a Power Ranger.
But
No, you know what I'm saying? Come here, look at you still. Me that drama you still, you know.
you could
Yeah,
tell.
man,
You
more
could
time.
tell, boss.
Yeah, man, it's true. My mother Christian, you know. They don't know she always in our church. So more time I around, we take our glasses them and our Bible and walk around the community with be a pitney with me a preacher. It's that drama, man. So in the boom clash now, me I say, all right, try the ninja thing, me see it through. But I say people them like the costume thing. But me I say, women can do different. I don't know the point that thing going for that.
Boss, I don't know. It's like I don't know what you're thinking. It's like if I seen that
nothing,
Arika
man.
as your friend, I'd say, boss, right here, the man are gonna kill you in the Sound Clash world if you come out in
Yeah,
this thing,
yeah.
here, boss.
No,
They're
but
gonna
nobody
kill you,
never
boss.
know. I true nobody never know because me don't really tell people my plan. You know, my plan them, but just me and Marie. You see me? So should I be the only person who don't know who's so they're gonna be? Why me don't know star? Jano.
Power Ranger, Teletubby, the man them were killing you, boss. Yeah,
Yeah,
you won the
man,
clash,
yeah,
but bro, the man them were killing you for that one there.
Them beat my bad for true, man. Them beat my bad. Them give me some leather belt.
Yeah. Yes, man. That was a Power Ranger. Yeah, the man them were dealing with. But then you came with the costumes again when you clashed. The finals was Hurricane when you first came out in with the raincoat and the broom and the tune to match. You see, from the beginning right to the end in that boom clash, boss, you dominated in that clash in particular. Right from the first song to the last song you guys played.
Right. And then even that clash there, Hurricane is a wicked sound in a bad sound, you know. Come here, listen to them throughout the clash, you know. And them have some serious song, you know. But what puzzled me about that clash there, them win the kind toss. And me know them must have watched the clash and know say if we play first, we are gonna go out with ourselves. You see me? So when them win the kind toss and say make we play, that time you say, well, look like the man have a plan. Why them win and why we first play? And where them up to? So that time I think say, first round and I have to just do what I have to do now, you know. You see me? So I decide say, Hurricane raincoat where? Because we done make the plan already. You see me?
No, man, that one there was big. And then that was the first time where you won your first. This is the first $1 million that you won. This is the first one.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yes.
See the man.
Yes.
How did that feel now to win $1 million out of sound business or the Sound Clash?
Yeah, man, it feel good because them mind you just left a giant sound in a monster sound, you know. We enough people with us say, oh, idiot, him gonna left sound and him gonna left for a sound like that. And you see me? So when you come prove them wrong, say, sound and have sense, are really the man with the behind it. You see what I say? And once a youth have him talent, him can bring it anywhere and it work. So it feel good, man. Yeah, man. And for no say, yeah, man. Remember me just left the big monster sound and do that. Yeah, man. It's a great feelings, man. For
Yeah.
real.
You won your million there. Bam, you're doing that. This is, you brought it up earlier, like 5 minutes ago. I want to go into this here. With Notorious is based in Jamaica, but you guys have an arm in Japan, and then you guys have an arm in Guyana too. I understand the Japan, but how did the Guyana part of Notorious actually come around? Because that, to me, that's super left field. I can understand Japan, okay, Marie, Jamaica, that's you. But how did Guyana get involved with Notorious?
All right, say Dave now is a guy we know. Like, 'cause remember, well when it on Supreme, especially when the clash with Addies. After Addies, a whole heap of people all over the world start contact me from various places, especially on the Facebook thing, you see me? Because them now have no others way, you see me? But Dave is a guy, where me and him in a link long time, because actually Dave is a guy where, we know Dave from about 2006 or something like so, You see me? Yeah. But through the World Supreme thing now, me and him start link back on the social media. Him a do same thing as a notorious when me hear, so to speak. And me decide, say, here I go, I'm a general. Because me have my notorious out there, son. And that's the funniest part, Remember, at the man, remember me tell you how notorious name comes about. At the man who make this sound box. Him passed off and gone, Him make the sound box. Him give me the name, Him say, yo, why you not name the sound notorious? Because you love clash and everything there. You remember me said that earlier. You see me? So when me start link with Dave now, me tell him, say, yo, here I go on. We just go and do this, and done, link up and just do one thing. So me didn't know him long time, but the link gets serious through me this side. Say, me I go do the notorious thing as notorious.
That's how the link really solidified. So
Yeah.
he was playing a song in Guyana named Notorious also.
Yeah, it looks, sorry, seems like that.
And then you guys just decided to merge or something, because I know they clash over there sometimes, but I seen you actually go over there and play with the Guyana team in a clash. And I think you guys won out there also too.
Yeah, right. Yeah, man. About 2 clash me go with them and win.
No, man, you're doing enough things. And I seen there was supposed to be a clash up here, but I think it got postponed. Supposed to be you, Klepto, and one other song.
Oh, yeah, for real. Yeah, man, with Klepto. I think it's, I don't remember, but yeah, man, for real. Yeah, that clash they did go bad, Yeah, that clash they did go bad.
You ever come to Canada before?
Yes, man.
You played
Yes,
up
man,
here
the
before?
same promoter there. Yes, man. Come there with BS Odyssey, man.
What,
Yes,
you were
Odyssey
playing
and
Soul
Notorious.
Supreme or Notorious? Base Odyssey and
As
Notorious?
Notorious. Yes,
Yeah.
man, BS Odyssey, Notorious, super fresh. The CJ, them dance, man, CJ promotion, man.
Yeah. Okay. Proper. Didn't.
And
I didn't
that was
even,
in Toronto, and I was still got Edmonton. Edmonton, for my local virgin, them same.
Proper. And then this is when you ended up going back to Brooklyn after a long time. This was the dance with the clash with you and Young Guns. This was 2002 Brooklyn. How did it feel now to go back to Brooklyn, not on Soul Supreme, because you're back in the Brooklyn area, but on Notorious now? How did that feel after so long to really go back to Brooklyn now?
Yeah, man, feel like you go back home, you see me? Like, you go back in your zone, like, yeah. Because remember, me don't tell you, big up New York City people, them, man, because you don't know New York City push the career to a next level, Without a doubt, so Supreme lift Little Shabba career to a level. So you don't know if you big up Brooklyn. So yeah, man, go back to Brooklyn, man, I feel like, yeah, man, go back home. You don't know. You see it, because I remember when I time I stay on a Canarsie side there, and them look play some more time till they were on a Flatbush one night time. You see me? Till June and them say, hey boy, you get hype now and you get rich, come. Long Island. Say that cool.
Yeah. No, that was thing. And what was interesting with that clash there, it was like 2 female selectors and 2 male MCs. This is the first time I've ever seen 2 songs buck up like this before. But they got the better part of you on this one here. Do you ever buck up anybody else where it's 2 female selectors and where it's like you and Marie and another female and male playing a song?
Oh no, no. At them alone. When I see other sound, but me and them never buck up yet. At them alone, them Young Guns are the first one to buck up.
Yeah, no, I've never seen anything like that. I said, this is interesting. The 2 female selected them are basically wearing and the 2 male MC them are wearing. I've never seen anything like that.
Right. Yeah, man, that was interesting for true. Big up Kaya on a promotion there.
Yeah, no, definitely. And since we're here, what this all led up to was the big SumFest clash that happened, 2 weeks ago. You understand where, again, this is your second $1 million win right here. You understand? Where it came down to you and Bodyguard in the end. How did you guys, because I spoke to Bria and she was giving me her version of how you guys prepared, but I want to know how you really said, okay, this is the plan, this is how we're going. Because even in that clash, it really seemed like Dynamic was who you guys really wanted to get out. Even after he dropped out, you're still playing the customs with Dynamic. You know what I mean? I said, boss, he's gone. Focus on these plans here. What was the intention going on in that there?
No, you are going now. All right. First of all right, so that clash, I'm glad I said this after the Young Guns clash, Because the Young Guns clash, can I get back to the question? Yeah, so I try to show you the thing them connected. The Young Guns clash, after we lose that clash there, I'm tell Marie, say, yo, watch this now, woman. You have to get involved in a walk one. You have to be more a walk one. You see me? Because if me work as the MC and if we make a plan and it not work, you have to know when. You see me? So after the Young Guns clash, me decide to say, all right, ease off of the battlefield a little bit. And make Marie go and do her thing. As you can see, 3/4 of the bookings that we see Marie get, you see she play as bad Gyal Marie. You know why? That have to train and build up her thing for. When she alone a play, she know which direction to go when she in a difficulty. Cause me and her thing is, when I make a plan and if it not work, she still gonna ask me, what you think? But when they're in a difficulty and not the time to ask me what I think, you have to figure it out on your own right there, man. You see me? Somebody says, ease off for the battlefield. My mama go and get herself together. Then this clash come about now, the Sunfest. Me tell her, I say, Marie, are you a leader dancer, you know? Meaning, me I depend on you, me I depend on your ideas, everything. You say it and me shoot. You see me? So really and truly, all of them sang that for your idea, you know. And when me I write the lyrics, then me sit down in front of her, me and I write it. And she give me some ideas. No, if you make him say this and say this, she can't rhyme me like me, you know. But she pick out the word like, say fun. Because maybe I go at. I'm going to use fun and say fun rhyme with grand. And write it, give the artist for sing. So really and truly, as she lead the clash, because me tell her, I say, you, me, I depend on. You see me? My thing now, when me a pressure Dynamic, now I treat my pressure she. Yeah. If you realize, every minute this man, I shook, Marie. Somebody just feel like, I can beat the boy to sickness. You see me? Because a girl's strength, him have every minute, you know, see nobody else in the clash. So me, I say, all right. I force me to get out, you know. You see me? He can then worst thing, him go play before we, and we go play right after him. So even if we don't plan to target nobody else, we decide to say, him, have to come, him force me want to kick out, you know. Him force me want to kick out.
You could see that.
Him them love, you know. Yeah, man.
And he was the winner from last year, so him, yes, bro.
Yeah, man.
So it's straight for Dynamic. And then you seen, because I think Corduroy dropped out first and then Dynamic dropped out. But then even as I was telling Marie, you see by the time your first and second rounds fire, third round fire too. But you see, when you guys got to your fourth round was your shakiest round. You know what? Everybody's round was shaky. You, Warrior, and Bodyguard's round was shaky. So when the judging now, it was basically the best of the worst. Everybody had shaky rounds. So it was like, now, okay, Warrior's gone now. So then now when you seen that it came down to Notorious and the big bad legendary Bodyguard, how did you plan to really deal with them in tune for tune? What was your plan going in to really deal with bodyguarding? Tune for tune, boss. This isn't juggling no more. This is song for song.
Yo, to tell you the truth, with the side stage, and somebody come to me and say, I think after Bodyguard play them first round, somebody come to me and say, I don't remember the guy name. Man say, yo, yeah, Bodyguard I got final, you know. Me I said, no, sir. That me I said in my mind. Can me really think say Bodyguard I got drop out first, you know, really and true. No disrespect, Bodyguard. No disrespect. But true, me know say them type of crowd they like favorite thing. Then I know we still, you know. But me know say we can entertain them, but me don't know Bodyguard, the youth them. Me know them, but me never know them a play Bodyguard. You see me? So when me see them now, me I say, all right. You know if them know the tune, you know. Anyway, them play a good first round. But now the last one we are talk about, when me see the hand them a go up, you know, say warrior drop out, you know, me I say, okay. Can me know, because sorry for that one trip.
Yeah. Yeah, man, for sure.
Me
100%.
know say, if I'm a warrior, go 1 for 1, it's a more smoother. Because the backs them kind of similar. But if Bodyguard, it's dangerous. You see, when me see warrior drop out, I say, no, this gets serious, I know.
Yeah.
Knowing my dub box. You see me? So now, but this I say, oh, me I go do this now. I'm still at work with Marie. Like me say, Marie, me I use lead the clash. You see me? Marie start with the Barrington leave with Duff with up. Man, them forward in. Long story short. First thing me say, people, me can't kill Bodyguard. You see me? Because now me decide say, here me have to use now. Me have to ball. But me not ball like how the African ball. Yeah, me have to go victim.
Yeah.
Then no Bodyguard that now. Me have to play a victim, you know. Remember that the African day, you know, boy, him go. Me I say, hey, me I go ball people. Me can't kill Bodyguard, you know. So me decide say me I go do like what me that do King Addies clash them. You see me? Me tell myself say me can't kill Addies because of the caliber sound, but me can't kill the selector. So me go there with that mentality then now when me decide say Bodyguard is me decide say me go use that same energy there. You see me? Yeah. So that chip into me right there. So when me see man them a clot up before with them. Marie there I say, yo, Shabba, flip it, where you with, man? Me I say, no, mama, man, they must make a mistake, man. Because I know why I go, calm down, calm. Because the one thing I want to do, you know, make she stay calm, you know. So as long as she calm, me good, you know. And I ain't been a tell her, so once you are the selector, me go lead, my energy I feed off of you. If you compatible, me good. But that's why you compatible, calm. He must make a mistake. Because I see that more all the while. And there goes the man go play the shaggy and thing. Me I say, watch ya. People me tell you say little boy them can't play the sound. Cause remember me that ball before.
Yeah.
Can't kill Bodyguard. No, me can't flip it again. People, you see it? The sound bigger than them. Boy. Give me on the laptop. Give me your laptop. They don't hide that. And then me start show up now. And say, me nah kill Bodyguard. That them me a kill. Yeah.
Because you guys were down, I think it was either 3-0 or 4-0. And it looked like they were about to sweep you guys right in tune for tune. And then the momentum picked up. And you see when you drop the culture on them, because you had played the Barrington, and they came back and played the Barrington, and then you drop the culture on them, say, listen, you guys are running down your shadow or something. So from there, the people them now say, okay, you see that man here? He's dead fucking serious, bro.
Then that's me I tell them man throw me a target them now me I show them up. It was 3-1, you know. It was 3-1 because I'm gonna play the shaggy in the film third song. And fourth song, something like that. I'm catch him with one and you see me? Him go 4 anyway and then me go play now, me go play the Barrington Leave you know, and the man go play Barrington Leave. Me say people you see it. Big Bodyguard. Big Bodyguard. I follow look Notorious way and knock him in the head. If you run down Notorious sound. Yeah. People them say, right, that's someone who saying can't come back still, you know. Right, that's on me because the song them when me have left, like the song they will line up, when me know line up with there, me know say everything, can we have some song when they moment, you know. You see music and sound clash. You have some song you only can play it if you are lead. You can't play it if you're not lead, you know. You have some song you only can play it when you're not leading. You see me? So there's a whole heap of difference and tricks to sound clash, you know. So the song them when me have line up, me know say the minimum to that my foot now, the whole of them have a work. Me can't miss again. Him dead. Right, that's someone. Somebody just start nailing right, that's man. Whop, whop, whop.
And as it looked, Victory, Notorious again, as I said, now it's like you guys are the $1 million song. You guys only go on clashes where you could win $1 million. You guys are the new $1 million song.
Yeah, we're going to have to add that title to it, you know. Notorious $1 million song. Yeah, that sound good. Yeah, I've got to change my slogan. Notorious the $1 million. Oh, yeah, yo, that sound good enough. I'm already started to use it, you know. I'm going to give you a piece of food out of $1 million. I do like Marie, but don't watch the money. You see the Captain Marie. No, what's my money? I don't run with that. Insurance. Well, the mama.
Yo, easy, not at all, boss. But even the same thing I asked her, I'm gonna ask you too. How easy or how difficult is it playing a song with not only your partner, like, okay, this is my selecting partner, but this is my wife. So win, lose, or draw, whether my idea works, your idea doesn't work, whatever, we still have to go home together. How easy or how difficult is that to play together as a team?
I true we are virgin, man. Me I tell you, so Marie come like my best friend in real life, you know. Me and Marie, all right, me and Marie, I can't take away. You know, so we have a look at that together, and one at a time she said, one thing with you guys, you don't have no romance in our relationship. Me and Marie don't really have a romantic relationship, you know. We have a musically relationship. You see me, brother and sister type of vibes. Real talk. You see me? So it not difficult and not hard because Marie really love music too, you know, brother. It's a girl who still literally love music, you know. You see what me I say? So it easy, man, because and then the only thing me and I cuss about is music. You will never see me and Marie cuss about a man or a woman or nothing else. Only music. And when I feel like you mess up this, so me and I have a look of cussing here and there just for get better. You see me, because she cuss me too, you know. Because sometimes you feel like, yo, you need to do this or do that, and sometimes I may say more timing and she have a different views for how me look on things. Because she look on things from the international scene, from the outside. You see me? While sometimes me look on it one way. So most of the time, that's why I tell her, I make she lead the clash. I can realize that I have to start view things from fear side now. And it worked. So even now, more 100 more % trust her. No. You see me? So me and I think not difficult at all. Because we have the musical relationship and the friendship there. Apart from music too. We have a friendship where we're connected.
No, definitely you could see that just the way how you guys connect, how you guys link, how you guys move. And it's like you're not talking to her rough on stage, but you're not pouting her either. You're showing her, say, okay, yo, let's go, let's make it happen. So you guys could see that the link you guys have, the bond you guys have runs deep when it comes to music.
I'm glad I said that because I've been saying this for years, and even Marie sometimes said, yeah, some more, like every time I talk about it, because I hears me I do this, you know. I always tell Marie, say, Marie, yes, when you play music, when me and you play music together, me not see her as a female again. I don't see her as a wife. Me see her as my selector. We're teammate now. We're supposed to be on the same pace. You see me? So if enough time I apologize to her, you know, and she said, no man, don't do it. You're supposed to rough me up. So sometimes I feel like sometimes I go look a bit too hard. But me not see her, because I tell her, I say, yo, brother, if you now play the sound, and it's a male that play the sound and I might select, I see him, we're going to deal with him. I go say, brother, what you do? Give me that. Go there, sir. Because me see selector always do this. A teamwork. You see what me I say? So other training there, me really gear, because it's a man sports, you know, and if you want to enter another role, you have to rough. You know, soft out there. You see me? Yeah, man.
No, man, Sound Clash is a hard business. And I mean, you have to really know its strategy, and you have to rough them up. You can't come soft.
You can't come soft, man. You see me? You can't come soft, man. But I want to tell you, say, She like it herself, man. Cause she don't want me deal with her like true shop woman. Cause she don't want to feel that way that, you know. Cause really and true that people see Marie as a woman side, but Marie is a kind of look a tomboy in her way, you know. She do everything like a man, you know. That's true. Some people, you know, and them alongside them, they see that part there. But I'm a gangster, man. You ramp with her, man. Gangster girl, man. Bad girl, Marie.
Yeah. No, well, listen. After I asked her about the million, whatever you're saying, she's a gangster. I believe you 100%. She didn't try to powder it up and say, "Yo, no, watch my money, boss."
Yeah, man, a gangster girl, man. I'm you, man. Ramp with her, man. Parted, man.
Definitely big things. And I know even the other day you changed your name from Little Shabba, because it's Little Shabba Notorious. It's Little Shabba Yadba Shabba to Notorious Shabba. But you said it was really killer. Said, yo, time for Lego the Little. No, it's Notorious. What kind of link you really have with Killer them?
You know, so I Killer them good from day one. But true, it's like me from 2024 now, me decide say, I have to take back the street, you know. So me start campaign and I play in the street. And I dance on the street like the Bossy Tuesday, the Bounty Sunday, the Boom Sunday. You see me? Yeah. All of them event they were there, I play the Lego the Street Wednesday. You see me, the Feel Good Early Thursday, because when I left out none of the event them. And but there, I go there with my look different type of juggling. And the thing I work. You see me? So you don't know more time of link Killer and game the reason and the healing and thing and Killer say youth. Up a Boom Sunday after me done tell the place. And say youth. You see what you do? You feel you're still little? Take the little fab. No, I lie. Killer say youth. You see what you do? What you do? You still little? Your name Notorious Shabba. Man, you know long me know you're still little. Your name Notorious Shabba.
Oh, Killer boss.
Yeah,
Different character.
Yeah, man. And I'm from that, I say, you know, something like how it sound. Like I run with it, you know.
No, man. Definitely, I'm glad that we got to sit down and really go into the history of who Little Shabba is. Because again, we see you on stage. You're the man that likes to change in every clash. You're changing enough times. Full of argument, full of style from Soul Supreme days. Come right up. But again, as I said, there's certain little things that I don't think the people them really understand or know. But I think right now after this, they're going to have a better understanding of who you are and what you've been through and all these crazy stuff that you got through to where you are right now. You understand?
Right. I'm glad me get the chance to tell them, you know, because there's a lot more you'd see along with the arts down and talk and tell you the truth, man. Really, I just say half of it and the half I'd never been told. As a whole heap of thing we've been through, you see me, and we just stay and hold it. And hold it and hold it and hold it. Me don't know I'm still there do it, man, because more time something we go through. Feel like it I'm mad out, me I tell you. Real talk, literally mad. You see me? Yeah, because when you have your talent, because I'm a man, I believe in myself, you know, my lad. I tell myself, say, me a star a long time, you know. So when you have the talent, and you believe in your talent, and you know, say, the man where them say the baddest thing, if you hold him on a stage, no, me kill it, you know, real talk, you know, musically, you know. So when you see a thing, a move away, and you see some man where you feel like, I think I'm not good away, my dear, so, you know, them thing they fresh out more time, man. You see me? But true, we know, say, yo, every time we go so and shoot off, there's always something we go so, if you draw our foot away. And all heap of same thing, brother, man. So we're glad we can tell them our side. And then, true, we are a type of people, you know, because enough people call me for interview to, you know, long time to, you know, I'm going to give them the story. You see me? Because sometimes I try to keep my thing exclusive to make them wonder. You see me, I say? Somebody says, hey, man, can't tell them what's going on. All heap of sitting, I go on with this interview, you know, man. You wait till I reach all my boy 40 years, man. What trouble?
Well, hold on. Okay. Listen, since we're talking truthfully, honestly, and openly, and you said trouble, all right? Little Shabba. Nope, Erks, take back the Little Shabba. Notorious Shabba. I was on Instagram a couple weeks ago, all right? I seen a video. I've been following you for a while. I seen a video where you weren't showing yourself. You were showing your car. And it was an incident with you and Stone Love, all right? What had happened there? Because I told you already, you seem like you're you like to make, you're almost like a troublemaker. You seem to like trouble. And the only reason I'm even talking about this Stone Love situation is because I seen you put out a video a couple days later, like basically apologizing for that video. But what had happened with you and them?
All right, say it's a thing where, all right, to me, I feel like after we just win Boom Clash, because sometimes is a man, even if I the sign, I can't sign, sometimes I pray, like if something happen one time and then it happen again, I feel like just spiteful to do it. You see me? So, after we done just win Boom Clash, we go up that way the and man, them announce, yeah, yo, next week, yo, Boom Clash winner, you don't know, not to us, in our place. You see me? Go up the next week, my boy, the selector there. Say, yo, dog, just can we have some song for premiere? And just come do it next week officially. Remember, this is the week where we did on our, and this is on 2019. Where just come do it officially the other week? I'm saying, no problem. The other week again, we not get fit player. Seeing? So fast forward down the line, Marie end up play up there one time. I think Paul Carlisle and she got play up there. I was some mama you alone I go up there, I believe I go up there. Because some is a man stay. Sometimes my brain just trip, Some of the some believe I go up there alone go up there. So she go up there and go do her thing. Fast forward, me and them go, no problem, nothing. I just a praying on myself, because some is a man that's pretty foolish sometimes. 2024 now, Mr. Right. Road will say, So we are campaign with a Sunfest thing. So me check the Wayne Paul, because I done in the website look weekly event them I play already. And say, yo, Paul, the Wayne Paul, watch it now. When I went to them outstairs, so me can I really link him still. Yeah, it's all right. And next week as Sunfest, you see that week. So yeah, man, good man, say right, forward. Go up there and thing. But before I reach up there, I get a text about the killer having birthday party, a private party. I say, what? Killer party, I never know. But a private party, so eventually and everybody gonna know. So I shot go up there and tell Marie, say, yeah, you going away the way, go and look out there. I got a bounty thing, because I general that. I'm going a bounty thing, everybody there at the whole streets. You see me? So I say, right, no all good people there with the way they normally at them, that bounty thing, I kill that. So we did that kill sometime till about 1 o'clock, killer definitely like have 1 o'clock and leave. So between which body bounty thing keep and where they a 5-minute drive or less to reach. So me reach that after 1. So when me reach now, Randy I say, yo dog, Shabba, you reach late. So me there I said to him now, say, here I go on my boss. But killer thing me did there, general thing. So me even late. All right, I'm going to play 30 minutes, give me 20 or 15. So me did that tell him, And the reaction when him give me, I think it's okay. So me go suck Marie down this and call her and say, yo, fly the laptop. You see me? Remember then they start playing, so Marie they start set up the laptop, See me? When me see it I go to 1:30, me I say, so you say Randy upon the 1:30? And the dog say, Shabba next week. So me I say, Jaja, next week again, upon the microphone. So me I say, Randy, how kind of style is my general? I like that style. Because me there say talk half the ear. Then you go put that on the talkerphone. Then now you make your woman there say pull out laptop, my lad. Remember me, she did the saying that me I talk to you before, and you make it seem like everything good, Now me call woman and she pull out laptop. Then you make me wait, then I wait. Then when it go 1:30, me ask you again, you go microphone and say next week. So me just kind of feel like I disrespect thing. So me there I say, no, when I like that style, you're going to let me a rookie. You see me? And they not pay me no mind to me they attack till one of them Google mental stopping music. So dog, your time pass. So me I say one step, I said, brother, we are dealing with and start running back. And I say, one if I'm out of chicken, I treat Hollywood. You see me? Yeah, we just get dark. I'm out and I trip, And then true what me say, I feel like them might not definitely rate me for man, because I don't do me this already and do me it again, You see me? Somebody say, no, boy, you see me? Yes, and somebody just goes, but true now, why am I going to apologize? True, me going to say it's on the internet. Me explain actually this for me, I set it up on the internet. Be people start link me now and say, what go on? When I'm a virgin name bling a CD fantasy call me and say, take off that, what that? You shouldn't even go up on the media with that, You see me? Remember you live through that something and you pass that already, dog. And make us a boom and delete it same time. You see me? Then now, Mama Blast now, to me I play a bossy Tuesday, every Tuesday, 65 Linders Road. Seeing? 65 Linders Road, every Tuesday, not to a sound system, straight up. So mama blast them and say, Shabba, what is you just a come back in the street and it a word for you, don't bring this by your name. She and blast the one piece of reasoning and say, yo, fix it. You have to apologize, son, where are we poor place? And first she asked me for them book me. And I said, no, you know, I may ask her. She said, you're wrong. See, I just said, Shabba, you're wrong. And I said, John, no. I'm just hold it and no say, all right, you know, I'm going to fix it and I gotta apologize. I said, come and make the apologize video, the apology video, you see me? Yeah.
Definitely. It's just one of those things. Again, as I said, I scrolling, I seen it, and I seen the apology, but you don't know what happened that caused that before and what even caused back the apology and how everything got fixed up from there. That's why I like to ask those type of questions. So you get to really explain yourself in depth, what it is that you seen, what happened, and how we even got here in the first place.
Right. Yeah, man, and no problem, man. You know, we tell it like it is, you know. And I think this is one of the things where make enough people judge me most of the time and get me wrong because them not hear my side of the story. Because man, we say something about you and then 2 minutes talk, them not hear. So them just run with that and say, yeah, man, I saw it go for true, you know. You see me? Yeah. So when you tell your side of the story, people who have sense, big sense, or the nonsense, and realize that, oh, that what him did say never make no sense. This sound like a more sense to you. You see me? Because we're a human being, is it? Yeah, man. So that's so good, man.
100%. Got two last ones before I get you out of here. You're in your studio now. Are you actually, is this where you record dubs, where you're an artist, or what do you do in the studio that you're in right now?
All right, this is actually an officially recording studio, you know. You see me? But me record dubs from my laptop. I actually record, see my laptop here, I use. I actually record dub from my laptop because I have a portable studio too as well. Because this is my home. So you know you're not carrying no money in your home. First, me have my wife, yeah, my little daughter, yeah. Now, I'm not carrying no artist, boy. You see me? So me go find the artists myself, record them in my vehicle, then come home and mix it. Yeah, so one thing. You see me? But I'm a recording studio, man, yard life music, man. You see me? See my shirt here, you know. My shirt this, you know. You see me? Yard life music production. You see me? And the name actually come from the event the music keep. Yard close Wednesday. And through me, they have a look style of me, I'll just say, yard. So you see where it makes sense. You see me?
Yeah. So you're working on some official productions outside of dub plates and those type of stuff there too?
Yes, man. Me have some 45 for job. You see me? Me have some 45 for job. Young artists and big artists. You see me? Yeah, me there. I want them if you call few I name them. But yeah, man, we have some 45 for job, some serious 45. Some we're going to match at the place.
Definitely big deal. This is the last one here. Today, what's today? Wednesday, July 31st. All right. I definitely had to put this date out here. Vybz Kartel just came out of jail after 13 years. Just, you know. All right. What's the vibe like in Jamaica right now? What's the feeling like on the ground right now in Jamaica since Kartel touched down?
A real boss holiday right now, a real boss weekend. That I tell you, Jamaica crazy right now. Right now, I want to tell you something. I couldn't even wait for you to call me and cause the niceness that road, you know. I want to Jamaica nice right now, man. A real boss weekend, man. And it start from today, Wednesday. Real boss weekend, man. The party vibes, chill, everything, man. Excitement, man. Nice this one.
How do you think this is going to change the dancehall game now that he's back on road? Do you think this is going to really change? Things are going to remain the same? What's going to happen now that he's on the ground?
No, a good thing this for dancehall still, you know. Because you know, Kartel is one of the column in a dancehall, you know. You see me? And you know, Kartel is a controversy man. So him know how to find back himself. Yes, you know, quick and fast, you know. Because when him there road, him going to get used to the slang them where on the place. Him going to create for him to go slang them to see him where. And it just nice this man. It go great. It's great now. But it go more nice. Because Addies there. The world boss there. And you know them man there. Yeah man, multi-talented. So it go nice.
No, definitely. Notorious Shabba, thank you so much for sitting down and talking to me. And have this reason where we could actually see what's in your mind, what's in your soul, what's in your heart, and the journey that you took, your ups, your downs, the place where you had to come off road, where you've seen the glory, where you've seen a lot of stuff in the business. But again, as you said, this is the first time people really get to really hear the depths of your story. Even though clearly everything can't be in one, but there's this right here. I think they get a much better understanding of who you are as a person, as a selector. You understand?
Definitely. Yeah, man. I would feel like a time, and the need for no one know it's a time. You see me? So, muscle, we say, all right, muscle, the exclusive God, why not? Make it happen.
You understand. Leave some contact information if they want to book you, Gyal Marie, the song, anything coming up, anybody you want to big up, anything right now, the floor is yours 100% before I get you out of here.
Yes, well, we actually have the contact on the Instagram, Notorious Intl. That's the international, but we spell it INTL. You see me? And you have the Notorious Shabba too as well. That's on my page. You know what I mean? And then you have the Gyal Marie page by herself too as well. So you have my page, Marie page, and Notorious International page. You know what I mean? I will still can go on a number to for the WhatsApp. For the sound system, you know what I mean? 876-478-4232. You see me? That's a Notorious International WhatsApp line. You see what I say? Yeah. And we're going to big up the whole street, because of course the street I give it strength, and you don't know we have to give back the street the strength. So we're big up Mama Blaz and Bossy Tuesday. You see what I say? Each and every Tuesday, you don't know, 65 Linders Road. Notorious sound string up on the ground. Sean 13, there, one of the body youth them from 13. World team, which is Boom Boom Harry Hype and ZJ Milo. You see me? Every Wednesday night, you don't know, like the street Wednesday. You see what I say? We still big up where the same way, and you don't know the thing going, on a Thursday. Feel good early Thursday. I used to keep one little thing, but me I reshuffle my thing, and you know what I mean? Get it together. That's it. Because we now do nothing missing, and if we feel like we do something and it not work, if we find why it not working, and just it. So that me never know. You see it? Yeah. And boom Sunday on a Sunday. And then you don't know the thing go. Bounty Sunday on a Sunday. Oh yeah. After feel good early Thursday, whopping Thursday. Sorry, Bobby Phantom, me Jenna. You know what thing go? Yeah. And of course, me have to big up Soul Food Tuesday too. And me have to big up Active Tuesday. Because a unity we are dealing with and love, You see me? So we have to endorse what I youth them thing, and the youth them do it, and them give it strength, and we big them up. You see it? Yard.
Bam. Definitely, Little Shabba. Thank you so much. Interesting journey. Talked about the good, we talked about the not so good, we talked about the bad, but we had a level conversation and just put it out there, you know what I mean? So the people have a better understanding of who you are. You got me.
Definitely. That's it. And that's what we want them to do at this moment, Get a fully understanding. So, yeah. I hope you understand why sometimes we get so crazy, you know what I mean? Because we've been through a lot. Is it?
Yeah.
Yard.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.